Hi, Cherry. Hi, Cherinki. We are good, sir, and you? Fezile. No, I'm good. Fezi. Angelina Dr. Novi. Yes, Angie. Kathleen Torello, Tora, we can account when I say. Let's work on the Pacific. I want to last a hot in the cap. Renzo hot in the cap, below, no jolly. I just so too well. Did we? Come into the jelly cap. Rohoti di cap. So, I'm about to last stuff. So, can it? I went to Rohot. Can it? I'm about to last stuff. Happy renewal lento. Renewal Holy Communion. So, Rohot. I'm about to last stuff. Scale robota puto tengata. Machiavelli. Hey guys, so I thought today na kiba ntho mo powerful le motho ka today. Ai. Madia morena Jesu ngwana rona ka nnete. Ya le di video sekolo ka nnete shira ka nnete. Ka Facebook ke le shebile le teng le lona ka TikTok o ndumela magaisho. Le ntshwarele ne ke na le meeting somewhere. But before you can meeting, there's something you can share on the motor because narrator 6 months today for the first time. Kipala can a relationship in 6 months. It's not break up car. In 6 months without break up. The relationship is traumatized it. Koro celebrate 6 months, I wrote 6 years. I 6 months can it was not a breakup relationship. Hi guys, can it the chance hell for that. Then rumele I Oma Muruti Kuratela went to Mujola is came. Sis came mare can it Halile Sherry listen little days I celebrate or a 3 the Fedile Macavilla 3 days. 6 months that. So today ne rubuang to very powerful ne. Simon Mufukeng kama na ka Facebook ndo ena ko shebile. Ha ke tsebe ke bo mamba kene because ha ke bone di comment tsa ma tse ding. So today guys ke a re qoqela ne le lay minister Covadrio. Ke bona le minister fela. 6 months is a millstone. Can it nearly 6 months save and avant that? Or sna break up car. Live Muruti Lurda Rapele Rotolebat. Oh, Kitaba ya uchincha into the thing. Go jet and it. Kitaba uchincha fella into the thing. The Muruti Tumela SMM. No, when I makiri into the kit about change into the because when it's serious note, Lena never thought of the relationship 6 months. Woman at Moscala. I call so to mela vui so happy. So guys, ki kopa le qoqela ma le tlwele ndumedisa le ntshenyetsa nako gale le ndumedisa ke kopa le qoqela re ne re bua ka eng male rato le high transformer dumela hle le bo ha Mofokeng a re tate Moruti dumela hle oma a renka mo oma wa tloa ke le buisa le boisa oma tlela ditaba tlohella ditaba re a o kopa ka boikokobetso re tswa Pasekeng. We thank God for your relationship. We saw her on live when you were on the social radio. Lindy, ngwana rona. Lindy were my favorite person. Ngwana ko gae. Okay. So ke tlo re qoqela na re o senyetsa nako. I have visual senyetsa nako. Mama Srotla ni le hlaka di first remark. Ha le act ka mora Paseka le act. O tla ni le hlaka di first year. Yo, di makatso dumela ngwana rona. Sure. Akore ntate Moruti go monate go ba wena tle shezi. Ke etse shezi. Ka mona ka Facebook ntate Moruti Novi o qabola goed ke Ritz Petsana. Okay. Ke mona Ritz Petsana. Pastor dumela tle ke mama Zra. Madita ba November ke voice ya ntate Thuso. Ahle. Dumela hle Moruti. Hope you all. Thank you so much bana rona ka nnete re bile lo. Guys ke batla le qoqela lona le andumedisa hle. Baby go bombe di tshara hle. Ntlitsetse di tshara tla. Guys ne re qoqa nthongwe. Di se bo bona le andumedisa. Ene ke batla le qoqela rona re bua eng le motho wa ka le ntsenyetsa nako. Ke tla ne ke le dumedise bo Tebo le kena le itse le qetile le tla ka ditumediso mona Tebo. Nna ke batla o qoqa. Le ka mona ka Facebook bo Thokozile go ke mang Barnabas qoqa Moruti ke Ouma di se ba re qoqa hle Dr. November ne re qoqa Pastor Novi dumela wa bona ba ndumedisa kupantele ntho ne re qoqa hele motho wa ka guys re qoqa a sensitive topic dumela ntate re mametse o bona nna jole ke tla le dumedisa ke tla qoqa jwa ntse le ndumedisa aksa qoqa bile where is also we itse o kgathetse today also se ke o itse she's very tired today tloho le ditaba thank you baby yo go hloki kubai o se rata o trenda ka go iphitisang ka teng motho se rata o trenda o ene la itse go plela tsala o kopana le nna re no yena ka nnete motho o jetsa re yena ka nnete a rate motho famous jwa ka no o kene haka papa guys se fa pa ke bua le o ne jetsa re yena rate bo famous ba ka e mo se iphitis now why sa feta ka mo
ne
how no
because extension
e mara ka botsa mele ka thoko
ke tsamaile ka morao
e mara se rata trend no guys motho na re hana tla kopala le nna no yana tate Johnny di tlabe ko bone ge tshepo ko bone le wena mar motho na re yana rate motho ya rata ke opela really kana ke ga the first time re tla kopana le rile ka ane rile Clarence so batho ba le excited ba ndumedisa a sa kwata a kwatetsa batho ba ndumedisa a re ya bona ke a re ba ha re tsaba ka koloi ha batho ba ndumedisa ba le ka ra koloi ba betsa di outera ka pa motho o ivaltswa yo ya bona ke umuntu famous kangaka ndifuna umbona re motho a famous no o hlaile haka bana ba go gane o hlaile haka ka nnete ke ka le ena ka botso dipotso ho zange ndaba ha hlahe le ena lona le re lawyer show e tla tswa qoqa hle Dr November. Okay, ne re bua ntho ene ke no mametse e mare ke kopa ba qoqela ka taba ya rona ya o review relationship.
Okay.
Batho ba re ke qoqa guys, re na le 6 months ne re na le 6 months re qoqa. So actually today the intention is like remove a fast. Doctor, you are blushing. Go ahead. La bana lona ba ntse ba senyetsa nako ke tla dia o qoqa nna le senyetsa nako ene ke batla le qoqela. So today actually ne ke na le appointment ne le batho ba bang ba batla mo nyala step ne ke ba ruti ba batla go kena ka ra polygamy le ba ke ba ruti abo pastor ba ruti ba kena hey ke le jetse ntaka ya ho tswa from the closet in Sabato. La bana bo tshiri ba le judge nna ke a tloela go qoqela la bana bo tshiri ba re judge la bana tshiri wa judge ke a tloela ha re beng ka Matheo ke go palata di Bible bana be ke go palata di Bible la bana bo sa no kwela ko sheri wa judge sheri wa judge ene nna ke tla lata Bible he faten seta kere. So guys ke kopa ke le qoqele he ana le ba ruti ba tswileng ena sfapa ntse ke disitse I think the commentators ntse ke disitse offers for pan because they are in this step for pan ke kopa ke etse so skela tsamaya the only way of avoiding the comment here. The only way of avoiding the comment ke tswe mathateng sfapang. Bona ke rotsitse the devil is a liar. Bona ke rotsitse the devil is a liar. Ke re jetsa bana ba go gae. Wa bona ke ntse the devil is a liar ngwana go gae. The devil is a liar. Ibile go tla ke tene se la tsamaya. Ka ke tenehile kutla jwale bile se kutla ke tenehile a bona jwale a kutla satana ntele so jo the devil is a liar. Ke tenehile ka se ke tenehile jwale. The devil is a liar. Yes. Here. What do I get in the wow? Se be ke pormanta no ke tenile ha bohloko no. No, it's like a seal no. jwale kope ebile hape ke ditaba tsa ka tse ke la tlo mphusha mo ke ditaba tsa ka ebile ke data ya ka ka ditaba tsa ka mo ka data ya ka so bana ba go gae ke le jetse he ne re bua le motho wa ka because ka nnete he o bua nnete and a le tlo ntatisa mo a le tlo ntatisa a le tlo ntatisa mo he so a le tlo ntatisa ke data ya ka a le nrekele data he a le tlo ntatisa he bona ile yena yona ke rata dimo ke rata hai ntwe yena yona ena le nthoman ena le anointing ena le anointing yo ena le anointing ya special a le jwetsa bana ba go gae no le anointing too yo ke rata ka se ke tenile no ka ke tenile bohloko so guys ke a bua jwale hene ke a bua Martin ke rata o bo le hlodisa fela motho wa ka o na le tsona ne ebile ke a mo kopa ke re ke tla dihlatswa di tsele go hlamba ke ikopela dihlatswa ka bonna ke dihlatswa tsa hae ke dihlatswa personal ke rata nako tse di ka re ka ya ke re ke ntse ka ra sutu ke ntse mo ka re ka e ka re ka ka ona ke re ke a sa e hlatswa e sa hlatsuwa man ke rata e sa hlatsuwa hai lona no understand lona bo holy water holy Jerusalem le ka sa understand I never understand le ka sa understand lona bo holy water lona ba khotsing ba pipitletseng ke ditlhapi ni hlothi no le khotsi ke ditlhapi le tlo re tella mo wa bona ke yona sa qadile holy water ka nnete fu ntwe hai lex ntwe le bone ke le last week ha ne ke re ke tsa le ke re Friday itse motho a hla a apere ka etsa choice pakeng tsa lona le le ke re Friday I had to make a choice between you and le ke re Friday ka utlwa re ke choose yena ke rata ai ke rata ke rata holo mo o kila bona ntwena ha ile ke tla lotong e ka re ke flag e jinge nyaweni sana ile ke tla lotong itse ai yo maloto kutla bile ke tene demo ha lona le no tseba ba pholoso le ke la di tseba ntho tsa runa tsa lefatshe ba pholoso le swa ka mpore le ka understand or re feta kae ba pholoso ba pholoso ba tshwantse o bona ba pholoso ba rata iketsa bohlale bona tshwantse le ba batlele di fish lane dikuku tsena tsa bona re di roke se thunge dikuku za ba kre bile ba rata complain ka runa ba jang dikuku re ka bentse re rwa kwa ho tirewele ba pholoso tshwantse ba rukwe dikuku dikwae tsena unkwe ntho imesi ya sonka bohobe tipe ya bohobe ho sewe dikwae tsena tsa bona ba pholoso ba tshwantse ba stishwe dikuku tsena tsa bona kre bona ba di sebedise ba rwa ka runa re bua ka dikuku le ka dikwae re bua ka dithobalano ka Mdavas ba rwa ka nnete ba hloka fela re ba batlele fish lane re roke se thunge re batle di kharine tsane tsa bo my friend kan ban bo my friend ban ba rokang dieta re ba di kadime dinalite tsa teng ba se thu azana di tezinje ba roka di benalite tsa re roke dikuku tsena re roke berisia fela phisinyana hana ne kele kai ai ba pholoso ha re ka ra bua ka Mdavas re bua ka kwa dikwae le ka dikuku e ka re bua ka tsa bona ba pholoso na bantinna ko re ka re bua ka dikuku tsa bona ko re dikuku tsa ba pholoso tshwantse re di roketse re kotile re sie bikinyana ya astrology go skela tsamaya ba pholoso bana ba rata ho iketsa betire e ka re ka bana ba ratang ha re bua ka sex ka Mdavas ba kwata e ka re ka re batle di doctor di roke dikuku tsa bona di roketse ha qetile re sie phisinyane na for hore ba lo rota ba pholosa ba hloka hore kwa dikukuhle ba di akere bona ba re ja tshare bua ka tsona wa bona mo nkena re ke satana yeno o hloka operation ho lo ruka kukunyana ena ya hae because yena e bile akere ha e sebetse ke kuku e innocent re roke ha re qetile re kinye strollonyana sena re roke bana ba rata go rwa ka ha re bua ka Mdavas bona ba batla re sage kwa e renke thipa ya bread bean re sage kwa o rutela le satani a gore ke nke mo mamedi guys ke go ba tsana itabeng tsaka pele ke ba late Elias una rwa requesta o gawile ke go ba tsana itabeng tsaka he guys tsa letsatsi tsaka jeno ke le qoqelo bua hle moruti qoqehle okay ke a le qoqela jwale ne ke a le qoqela sopana this time ke a le qoqela straight a gore ke rwale ntho tsaka Puntsu a re wa kena le ena ha re bueng he bana beso ke a qoqa jwale sefapano ke a qoqa jwale. So today re a qoqa leditse family ya ka he so Musa o tsana mara ka re dintho tsona ha le requesta di ana o kena tje. So ke go bontsha le zaza lena he ke tsebo bua le lona straight. Ba ntse ba re rapella hore ntho tsa ka di ke tsa tsamana. Guys, jwale today he ne re bua he le motho wa ka ke re checka relationship rena le bokae 6 months ne. Jwale we had to re shebe hore 6 months re be honest to each other ne. We should be honest to each other. Ke re ho yana now baby njwetse now that re na le 6 months now because most of the time the relationship le batho most of not the relationship batho when o soka o ba bophilong ba motho o mmona le kopana stratong kanye le qoqa ka di phone hey o bona ile yena o bone nguye o bone nguye ha re qoqa monate ka di phone re qala o kopana hey koro ibile o le ba modimo o bulela uthixo re ntate modimo nkarabile yena yo mphileng yena fapana ke nahana hore ka nnete o qetile ntate modimo. So ke re ho yena now I think we have 6 months. So ke kopa jwale o ko njwetse how sheba nna o sheba personality yaka, character yaka, behavior yaka, and then the responsibility tseo ke nang le tsona, the way ke etsang dintho ka teng, the way go hlokomelang kapa ke nkang di responsibilities ka wena le di responsibility tseo ke nang le tsona le everything eo ke leng yona. If somebody can ask you hore o ntso batla ho nyalwa ke November o ka re so ke potsone le thata jwalo bana ba go gae ke nahana ke le ile ka batho modimo ke nahana ke le ile ka potsone hamba be lingane hai ya ke le nka potsone le batho ba lona hai a ke le nka potsone batho ba lona ndi anicala bazalwana a ke le no ke kopa le bitse batho ba lona ke le ba botse potso yo le re ba se fapana. And as much ke tseba hore ena le e kana ba le maka ngaphakathi inobucoki ngaphakathi ne, because you know what I did, ke qadile ka mo botsa ka dintho tsena tseo nna ke di considerang ne tseo ke di nkang le problem ke be ke mo botsa hore di exercise di ne di reng ka that whole thing. And mametse bommele bontate kutla volume ya TV se theoile volume ya TV ne buela godimo ele speaker down loud no ke a utlwa volume ya TV theoile ke le jwetse volume ya TV ne le speaker down action speaker down with ke vale ka molata mo ka mo botsa he hore tell me a kontswetse exercise o mang le mang bane ba ikutlwa jwang ka dintho tse itseng wananya yacota bemaroni mene bombele bontate ke yena motho o eme khone mo no tlo if o batla hore ditaba tseo o batla di utlwe then ke le mene so ke be ke mo botsa pele ka di exercise hore ne di kutlwa jwang ka the way a tenang ka teng a njwetsa ne di sena problem ke be ke re ho yena now tell me now that because nna ke na le problem ka the way sometimes dintho tse dingwe tenang ka teng, how do you feel about that? Wabona. Then abanjwetsa hore no, sometimes, not always, she feel like maybe ke batla mo change too much. I can need.
No, like why should you say you are the over free?
Emaro emidukone.
No, you know why?
Why emidukone?
No, what's about you?
Viewers at home, why I emidukone?
No.
Why I emidukone?
I'm watching TV, ne? And then
what is such TV?
No, just a TV. Je like you got TV in that means that
no clear volume ya TV.
No.
Yo. Guys, yaba ke a botsa hore batho ba hae bana ba ikutlwa jwang di exercise bo somandla bona bana ba sena bothata bo jansina bo ntho di steering ne di sena bothata ka re jwale o tlo etsa jwang because nna ke na le bothata ka tseding ka the way o tinang ka teng jwale o tlo etsa jwang how do you feel about that because nna ke na le bothata agree baby go with go I got you.
Must come back here because now, like, pretend like I'm not here.
I don't want to pretend. You are here.
I'm going.
Hey.
So that is gonna back
mara re paka yeno fela. I got you John. Car but now nna ke na le bothatanyana ka motino o. I got you.
What's it? Can I make it as well? Ne? So that okhono ho phutulu.
Ha ke phutuluhile.
No, so that
ke phutuluhile.
Oskana batla o
verify. Ke phutuluhile.
So that oskana
baby ke phutulu, what do you mean?
Ke oskana verify hone. So that let me leave you. And then go and watch and then so that because you look like baby I get it.
Mare ke phutuluhile. Okay. Cherry, ke phutuluhile. O te a hlaile. O te na jwang.
Ke kopa ba hlotsetsa batho hore ke tena.
O te a hlaile mo.
Ke kopa ba hlotsetsa ba describe le hore ke apere no.
Ke ba describe.
I get look like but feel about this guy.
O te ke le 2K. Mongare ke le 2K. Mongare tampole ya bibi. Guys ke ya ke kopa ke yena o tempela ka mona. So no I go eme pele ka di fruits hle no mbule ke ma no lubambalo ke eme ka di fruits hle a go eme pele ka di fruits akulo are you will see them with the fruits a go eme ka di fruits hle no mbulelo rona re busy hle no mbulelo re lukisa manyalo no re go pa mmona o balele bebu ntshabisa Baby, I will come on someone once, Habisa, baby. No bulela ko emeka wena no bulela ka kitse mangwana na wa qeta go bua you'll see them with the fruits a go gawale dina ka di fruits a go re tlwele ka di fruits ge rena re busy a ra o kopa ka bikoko betso go re tlwe no lu bumbulo a go eme pele ka di fruits ka o sieke a gre o tswa etsa mantso ya 7 o vela mazwini ya 7 so hlukana nathi gabana le runa no le bumbulo fotekhle no le bumbulo le retine so guys ke re ho yena ka netse fapang jwale ke iqetella tabena ke a qoqa jwale ne ke a qoqa jwale ke qete jwale ke tlele le bumbulo jwale ke mmotsa ke re ho yena batho bana ba ho bana ba fila jongwa njwetsa hore no batho bana bana ba sena bothata what ke re okay jwale o tletsa jwang because nna ke na le bothata ka dintho tse di ne okay a ke na bothata ka dintho tse ngata ka motho wa ka ne ke na le bothata bo iwane ba o dituno unempundu na dituno jwale ha ke rata di bono tsena di dutse ka ntle andifuni ngahleli ngaphandle ezimpundu akidi bathi di bono tsena di dutse ka ntle man because akidi rati man akidi bathi di bono tsena ke tse nka etsa jwang ba zabana ka net ka re ga ke lo batla diphatlo tsa Sinjoni kore ke lo batla dikobo tsa Sinjoni re ma apese dikobo diphatlo di prapera tsa Sinjoni di bontsela di tshwarisa bothata di bontsha motho wa ka di tshwarisa bothata o ka etsa jwang ka di bonotse mara ele ke sona tsentseng ke moratile ka di bonotsela mara jwale hai di a ntshukudisa man ai di bonotsela di a ntshukudisa but outside to appearance so a kwa elo mruti le nna ke tshojalo nopi a kwa elo di bono ka nnete so moruti se ka mo tšhentšha ka mo a aparang ka teng as long a di kwaele oma a di kwaele no mabumbe no ke ma no mbulelo o ke no mbule ke tsona di o tse di la ntshwarella lona ke batla le qoqela nna ke tla le tlwella ke a teneke because ke tla le tlwella so kodwa mthande ngezompundu ziphandle ngamazuvi so so lesotho ko mona ko ntho ko mona Bloemfontein so guys jwale le ntshwarela ke tlo etsa jwa mara ke a qoqa he so he okay ke be ke ro yena okay aba be ke mo jwetsa ke re okay but the time le re kopa okay ke go ba qetele ntho se fapang jwale ke qetela ke se ka di bala di comment ne ke go ba se ka bala di comment se fapang ka ke di bala no ha ke sa di bala di comment straight so he ke be ke ro yena okay ke go pa njwetse 6 months now se rena le 6 months a njwetse hore when somebody akamobotsa she still want to be my wife akare about 100% she still want to be my wife and then she still want to she can choose me even tomorrow and then she can even choose the marriage ya ka onyalwa ke nna ka ofela dintho tsena aksa se ba di comment so okay o ba right then be re tla tabenya hore a njwetsa ke di feeling tseo a feel ngore e ka re nka di tšhentšha ka nna about no unahana the only thing you can change kore e kare ke tine ka speed wa bona be ke mo botsa hore ke tine jwang do I react about no sometimes e kare ha bua le nna something wa bona e kare ke atine ke re mar baby please ke go explain hore do I react or ke atine hana about no hanshibile e kare ke be ke se right ka re ke tinele be ke re no ska ntsha ka o tinela because on a serious note sometimes it is not like always we will be bubbly because kana go tseno go ka qoqa le nna dintho e le hore I'm not in a good mood so I'm not going to be excited so ska ntsha ka taba ya ha o ntshebile wa bona okay be re fita yena then be ke tla ho ya abanka the same question I tlisa ho nna ampotsa hore nka mo choose na wa bona if I can have that opportunity or ke mo choose ka mora 6 months na e rile an le ona no na nka mo choose na be ke re ya no number 1 I can choose you because of your character wa bona your character can make me to choose you 2 your understanding can make me to choose you again 3 your reasoning capacity can also make me to choose you again I can choose her because the way we react baby yeah motho teng somewhere mona batho ba modimo o buletse TV maro teng somewhere mona ka room mametse because dintho ntse di wa mona so be ke ro ho yena ke be ke no I can choose you ne Karna, I can choose you again if I can. Somebody can ask me or in choose. No, I can choose you on a serious note because of how you. Because on a serious note, the way Rubuanka thing, Naja Kalakopana the Mutio Honamubua, and then she every time when Renali issues, Renalitz la yau bula yau dilana that's on, and for the first time Nakala can to dilana the Mutia. Ya filang ya etsa gore ke utlwa I need to change ne 6 months ke se go sha novi no they understand no busisiwe 6 months in a relationship yo kwazi nsuku sana started 3 days so 6 months ininji yo busisiwe yo we celebrate 6 months relationship ya 6 months even 2 weeks yo 2 weeks ininji yo tshwantse lebe modimo if le motho wa badimo funa o tshwantse etse le kopo o yentse kongo yo if una le 6 months le motho o utlwana le motho I mean 2 weeks ya if motho ya dumela mpho wa badimo yetse yo if o dumela badimo ba lebohe ka 2 weeks yo relationship ka 2 days o butla o sharp ka motho yo busisiwe 6 months yo 6 months yo uswaka yo tsedi mose fela antsa qoqa motho antsa qoqa le wena fela le qeta o exchange ka di phone le ntse le bua fela mo tlo ra ho sa matla le ninga ka dibani le ntse le qoqa fela ka phone o mo file di phone le kopane somewhere be le exchange ka di number fela then ha qeta o qoqa antsa qoqa o mo lahla ntsa qoqa ne o so modumeli ungaka mvumi umlahla o mo lahla o so modumeli yo busisiwe uswaka yo rena re celebrate 6 months it's a victory yo so ke ro ho yena ke be ke ro ho yena but now tell me ke be ke ro na abanka potso eo the same question I tlisa ona nka mo choose okay be ke bua rona I can choose what ke be ke re but now the problem is one The only thing ene ke na le bothata ka yona ga se motho a ratang haholo Motavaso, and the next one ene a ba rona ke mo bolaisa Motavaso too much, ene hle ke o rata ona ke mo bolaisa ka nnete. Ai yona ke mo bolaisa hla ya ke mo bolaisa a kry jwale nna hape ke tlo tsofala ke 57 very soon ke tlabe ke matha bo 60 man. Hlo ke batla hore mohla re tlo emisa ka dithapelo be se ke utlwile monate. Nna very soon nna very soon ke tlo emisa ka dipitsa bana ba ka. Very soon diso ke tlabe ke nwa dipitsa no sola ka ke atumela dipitseng di sondele zimbizeng, so ke batla pele na kwa dipitsa e fihla be ke monatile ke sebeletsa nako. Thank you, boitumelo a rometsa hantle Dr. Novi. Ai boitumelo sebeletsa nako bana beso la le ke la njacha ke foke ke le foke tle njacheng ya go sebeletsa nako ha ke batlole o mona la ro a hlapa fela ke te ha tina penti fela ke te ha e khobola ke te. Sebeletsa nako njacheng ene ntho monate gore a ke sebetse ka kwa ya lona, a ke sebetse ka dikwai tsa lona di phumane kum. Sebana le dikwai tsa batho ba lona tseno tse wang jongana nezo pipiza madoda wenu ne boyfriend zenu eziwayo, shabala le tsala tsa lona tsa batho ba lona tse wang ga wana le aka entseng yema hona jwale, because very soon ke tla be ke le moholo, so ke batla mohlang ke ring intse sukula ema ha re baby ntena o ya sukudisa ke re mare baby a kro o pula ikile ba o kile wa itshesa monate ka yona, ke batla ke mo potse ke re a kro o pula o kile a ja monate ka yona ntho ya ka so ska complain. Hayi bantu wethu sebenzele xesha ni sana ixesha lincinci 57 years ya senza uselimbiza sekushele kancane sekusele kancane selimbiza ke nwe dipitsa so la ka soka ke fihla dipitseng dumeleng ke kokone Novi o pela batho. Now the same question e betla wona ke mo choose ke mo jetsa rona I can choose you Karno I can choose can I can choose wow begero yana, but now the problem is Mutino ne, then that's when now reqadile mo car the problem ke Mutino okay yana she dressed very decent but ona leading to tsena tseo it's naka ngileng komba icon ezimpundu zakhe sezingaphandle di hona le di jeans tsa reng ha di apere ke bona kuri kutwa re di bono tse e ka reng ka curtain ke di kwaele ngati ngathati curtain di ziqomo kutwa di bono tsena di batla go kwaelwa tsena o bona ona le di jeans ke hopola ke tsamaile le yena re ile different tsa ka somewhere before that, ne ke tsamaile le ena rile restaurant in somewhere. So one of my friend wa Muruti ke a shebile di bono tsa motho wa ka a di shebile gore that guy na itibetse a lebetse hore o ntsa qoqa le nna a shebile di bono tsa motho wa ka ka utlwa ke sa rate gore di bono tsa ne di hloka di curtain tsa makula di kwayelo ziqunywe. So ne rele somewhere hape le different ke tshaketse different tsa ka Kawashi. So le bona ba mo shebile di bono ka mona ke bona ba these people ba mo shebile di bono ka di bono tsena di nketsa bothata tse they are frustrated di bono tsena ka nnete. So so hey guys then okay then ibilore re bua ka taba ya Moteno no. That's when the problem, it was not the problem, that's when discussion ibileng heavy day wabo ke re ho yena. When I met her on a serious note, ona tene a full dress and a loose. I saw a decent woman. When I met her, I saw a decent, ona satina tighty. Baby, why TV sabui? Baby, why TV sabui? Yo. Amar, no, relax, baby. Baby. No, bulela, no, lauka mamela, lauka kena lifing, kena. I don't mind. No, but you go mamele. Because this thing is very important also. No, you go mamele, baby. There is nothing you can hide more. No, mamela, baby. Even kena lifing or clock mona, anything kena mana room. So, when I met her, Motona waka, guys, I met her, I saw her in Kiboni just Osia decent for pan, I was driving and I was driving. Then, when Kinekopana he came Kalamon, Kiboni Muta decent that in a full dress, and a loose. I cabana di bono that time. I cabana di bono, I cabana next, but I saw just a decent woman. Then kimo tracer, kimo follower until the rokopana remisa, kimo kopa di number, then ampa di number time. Then into zomnibo, di bono di in kilibone amamrao rebana, mutiona kili Pakistan, wabon, kilibone amamrao he, but he say kili interested. Then Rautwana hewa munati Rautwana nale obom. So kiru here na. Now the problem is in my mind I was looking for a wife. Kiona nteki batla to buaka wana tsatsime actually. Kiona nteki batla to buaka wana. In my mind I was looking for a wife. That is why Kilenga attracted ki the how she was dressed that day. And there was this lady in Kilenga Utlana Lena wa advocate. That lady wa advocate the day neki ya office nyabona abula le mati. Ki kokota for the first time. Ki kokota office nyabona ya that lady wa advocate. She was young, very young there. And then abula le mati. Yo. Kileka Emma close to 5 to 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Get out. Lena atula 5 minutes. Negita mali also lovely sileke. Katula 5 minutes ratul to make sure. Kurika pelunya kakir. This lady, she's so decent. Very decent. Kibwaka advocate. Kaba attracted to the decent lady. So Liama Waka when I met him, I met her because you know advocate la fela tabaka le yena. Now ke re ho yena he motho ga ke baby, you know, now when I saw you I ke bona di bono tsa ke attract you fela ke di bono negative because I saw a decent person and then be ke tla wena fika go free ntse tsa bo di bono le di indidini ke di bona mamorao. So ke re ho yena, my number one thing is I really need a decent woman. I really need a decent person. A decent person. Ombana ke jwang? Ombana ke rotsi di penti, ke beile di lipstick ke etsang. But believe me, do you think ya tseba nna ke etsang ga? Le yena she knows what intenza ntolinga lento intenza. I know. She knows what is my intention ka ditho tsena. She knows. Including the batho ba bang here, they know the intentions tsa ka ke. So, ke re ho yana I really want somebody very decent. That is number one. Nagrata mosadi ya decent. That is number one. Number two, as much renali dituno renali ding, but it's very important to tinela mesi arona. I mean, ho tinela memeli alona, ho ngebela imisimba yetu to dress according decently, so even if una le dituno tse kgolo na le dibono tse kgolo, then okay ne re bua ntwe ne ya fika tabeng ya hore ya fika up mo ke reng, you know the biggest problem about runa the relationship it's when o kopana le motho wena o bommona jwale ka a wife yena kanti o ipona jwale ka a girl. Obama guys, I was saying that to her, baby, Obama in life, one of the things that frustrate about my lonely relationship, it's when you see a husband to somebody who yana aiponang ili just a boy, when abubona husband. Because when you see that person as a husband, you are going to expect that person to behave like a husband. Can't you kopana le motho a behave like a boy? Because when you are the one monang as a boy, yeah, now we pona. I mean, when I'm like a husband, can't you? Yeah, now we pona like a boy. Nothing like. Thank you so much for money. Thank you so much to be part of the family. So. And that is the problem, guys. That is the biggest problem. Because today, one of the things is about affecting the relationship, today people are in a relationship. Today, we don't enjoy our relationship and we don't enjoy our relationship. It is because when you kopana le motho ukopana le yena umona as a wife kantia na kana kwa tsone kelelo nya how she's the a girl. Because nale aka rile ra iqoqa ra be re sota auto ke mo jwetsa ke re no na baby as much or because until we can marriage goes together change. If you are a woman, you are looking for a marriage. You are a man, you are looking for a marriage. Marriage goes together change. And the reason why namhlanje abantu bengayike chat litlojwa mahala batlo kukuna banna amadoda azonitja mahala le nayikyatla huluna ritloletja le reje le mahala mare lenyalo lona re tla le bona TV ha re shebeletse Perfect Wedding 057 Perfect Wedding le tla le bona mona lenyalo ritloja na mahala. Because you know why? Because we don't understand our marriage. Once ubeya engqondweni yakho ubeka ukuthi I want to be somebody's wife or somebody's husband, then was ready for a change. Kena line ya batho ba jwa mahala ngena apha kena line tsa batho ba jwa mahala bana baka ye ka no sokolisa ye ka no sokolisa aya ka no sokolisa bazana mase ka no sokolisana because marriage goes together the change. If you're not willing to change some of the things, because one of the requirements that marriage for you people who are looking for marriage, one of the things the requirement in a marriage can change. A change. And if you're not willing for a change, ready trap because we didn't say the trap wa mahal. Hare DJ. Hadijwe mahal. Matkiwe mahal abanta kwetu. Abanka abantu bangafuni change. Hare klong di claim di kukutseni. Matkiwe basana matkiwe mahal. Hare di pepetle mahal hare di pepetle. Re pepetle kuku ya teng re otle re thube mabota. Si qhekese. Re tshwatla hore ele di tlabore. Ele di cricket ngwana ka tsa di 31. Matkiwe mahal. Matkiwe. How do you do? Bondat, if you want to see yourself if you are not willing to change some of the things kawena, ke kopa kwa yeno hao bai senge bai hame hore kuri iwe kwa yeno hao iwe kuri bai senge bai hame jale kalela la khomu ya lifu lesnang le khazetiwe mo ba family ya teng khazetileng isina nchelete maba ke batla ba isenge lo pipi ya iwe kuri iwe ifane no thumbo lenkomo iwe because nalantina oh nalantina yo nalantina akyamkotala muthu waka kere baby marriage goes with a change kabo madi guys, do you know that why we are not going to enjoy Imicha in a relationship? You know why we enjoy Manyalo relationship? You know why we enjoy it? It is because when Mutafika Wena as a Yena Obona as a wife, Abafika Wena Obona only a girlfriend. Now you know good. Now you are going to force that person who kuta sebenzana now. Ibe yena ya transform. Nothing like. Now, mtoya samuri, but baskeba enjoy the relationship le manyalo nowadays. Kukuti ngoku refanani the task. Now I'm busy transforming you. Huri ube a wife. Kin. Now you are my project now. The fanele sebenzana now ukuti be project. Now as a woman, u nano, u transform now a husband. And now, why did I allow you now? Then I'll now a husband. Finally, utanzu rute. Hauna basadi ba frustrated to like basadi ba dulanly the boys. Lead the boy. Now you become a teacher now. You don't become a husband. You don't become a wife to this man. Now you become a teacher now. And when utanzu ube a wife. Now be a wife. Now you are a teacher to this man. Now utanzu lurute behave, o le rute the responsibility, o le rute everything. We were sharing about that in the motwaka. Baby, now I think the only thing you can basadi by if you are looking for a marriage, if you are looking for a partner, if you are looking for a serious commitment, you are forced to be ready for change. You need to be ready for change. Because but we the empty vessels. Yo. Yes. Luna, let's see, guys. Kitlo le fadi, kitlo le. Ha una ntobuko. Tamo botamba sadi ka ofela. Aba chate ama kwenkwe. Tamo sheba basadi ka ofela ba nyetse mbashanyana. Basadi ba ka ofela, they don't enjoy being a wife. Because now that wife, she's not a wife to this boy. She's a teacher. Go and ask most of men who are married to the girl. You don't enjoy the benefits. I have a wife now. You know what I'm saying? Now you become a teacher to this woman. That is why namhlanje bomme babangata ba miserable. You are in a marriage, but you are so much miserable and frustrated. Now, baby, it's very important as a person to know, to come to the level where you know what is good, what is not good. Because but to reduce, it's very important when as a person, but I don't need to do this to avoid to I'm finally so I just what's my mother is thank you so much, Queens. Thank you so much. Guys, I keep a Buamaka. People, they don't enjoy me nowadays. I feel enjoy. Next, I really enjoy my nyalwarun. I really enjoy the relationship. I really enjoy next because we are dealing about to change about to change this person, to transform this person. Hey, baby, now you are a wife. Hey, baby, now you are a husband. We don't enjoy as enjoy si pangele. Busy dealing about to change about. And it is not right, guys. Akumnandanga. And that is why namhlanje imi chato yetu then no manyala now toxic. Relationship toxic. My husband was toxic. My wife was toxic. Because we are creating that toxicity. Kapaki toxicities. You are not sure. See, I create. And nalantina. You are a creator. You are a creator. You are I. Who created into a family. Mutwao abe forced to boo. Then how pretty no, my husband was very toxic. Ma kuikhandin ba loiking li creating into tse etsang rubeli toxicity in your marriage, in your relationship. How pretty when the toxicity is coming, then you are complaining or my marriage is toxicity. My husband was so toxicity. My wife was so toxic. Kantu guwe kuikhandin mulo ikwena kadileng this toxicity. Liantela karikali rumela vota. Yes, Atlantina. Oh! Ay. Now you think it's Angalo. Why in the dinner? Hi, Nalantina. Yes. Nothing skilled partner. She will tell you. None of it my busiu. But since I let I sent my busiu. And some like a katamai. I make sure that baby immediately, even kids are and I always go to one place. car wash ya Maungra. I always go there. Kia car washing ya power Maungra. She knows kita mjota kia Maungra. And if whether you want to rest, take your rest and call me when utsuile. Ke na lo tsamaya because ke mo fa chance or a relax a robal. Okay, go on ntse ke tletseng. No mbona ntse hlanga nyuka. Itshwantsa mna tlo ngkhalemela and nqanda ngapha antina anthiba ngapha nangapha eka ukuthi ke ke cap ke tax ya meter tax ndizibe nqanda mna yona lantina hle yo hayi andidina yo nalantina hle yo nalantina. Yes. Oh, nalantina. Oh, hi. Her. Nalantina. Oh. Ne re qoqa nthene le motho wa ka thuleng. Now, and le follow page yaka ya Facebook, le follow ha ke tswa live TikTokong, everything e me ke etsa TikTok, Facebook yaka ya Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry, Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry. Le follow, le like page yen ya Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry. Ske la container antenna. Oh. So, kire he umotwaka. But it was a fruitful conversation. Very fruitful, because ne re checka relationship ya rona no le di changes tse tshwantse di be teng. So ke mo jwetsa ke re yena no nna ke nahana hore dintho tsa moteno guys le tshwantse le understand rona batho bana le di intention ka lona. Immediately motho a ka ba le di intention ka wena o tlo mmona ka o ba le di changes tsa batlang go di etsa ka wena. And nina niyazi lonto aniyazi, as once a person can start it aqala ba le di intention ka wena o tlo mmona ka di changes. Once a person aqala ba le di intention ka wena o tlo mmona ka jealous nyana ka get jealous ka poulela go khweleta sombona ngesikhwele umuntu one intention ngawo uzambona ngesikhwele uyazi bakhe ngoku lo muntu une intention ngawo akezela ngukudla la ngukudla bana bakho khaya. Now guys, nina bantu lona batho ba batla ngwenyalo batho ba ntse ba batla go behave jwala ka banana. Ndicela ninxelele, you will never survive emtshatweni when we still have a girl mentality. But ufuna ukuya ngalo mentality emtshatweni, you will never survive. You will never survive going to marriage with the girl mentality, and you will never survive going to marriage with the boy mentality. You will never survive. Nizo frustrate abantu. Little frustrate abanna baluna, little frustrate abasadi baluna, little frustrate the boyfriend tsa lona the girlfriend tsa lona. And trying to jwetsa guys, when wabanana, do you know that why kinkile motho wa ka ke dula le ena no? Aksoka ke monyala mara ke tlo monyala. You know why ke dula le ena mo? It is because ke na le di intention ka yena. Ke na le di intention ka yena. But if I did not have the intention, ne tlo mo ja fela ke mo khutlisa tsamaya. Ben so mtjanje nqa qebeleng tim gotusi. Abe. Ne tlo mo ja fela qetile ke mo tsamaisa. Ne tlo mo ja fela ke tsamaya because but what's not the intention le bona sokol sandi ke a kyama nje nqa qebelu hambe. Utsamaya ulo dula mo you must go to your place. Lena must live. I must I must sal to my place with peacefully so kyamanje. One motor the intention again. I can't to change a young guy. How one man to change a motor the intention guy. Umoja fella of folk. Kimba ya chinchan driving school. Kimba ya chinchan company car. Kema ya chinchang, kema nga pemparang koli company car. Kema ya chinchang, chinchang company car ati, you know company car yena kibato irekela di make rimi, kibato we chincha, kibato yesi, kema nga chinchang koli ya driving school. Gubani. Kema nga tsama nga lo cleaner bete ya spetlele, alo cleaner. Oh, gubani o yes bete. I am betting yes petlele. E roba lwanki manka pabanga ba ichincha watu ba kibatla yes petlele. Difunu yes petlele do chinchi seat. Kibatla lo chincha di seat kibatla. I want to take care. Ka better yes petlele yes petlele. Gubani because petlele better yes petlele re go pula fela rukula ngasi ulala. Then ngasi pola yes vukile si hamba. Re di beten tsa di petlele fela le di kolei tsa company re kalama fela because we don't have the intention ka kolei ya company. We don't have bonke lena gale ke kopana le banana di kombelo ankina di intention ka yena and I change ake mo change ngwanana yo ke sna di intention ka yena gale ke kopana le bona ke ne ke ba ja mahala di bakile goed ke ba jele Hamnat, Kieta the style tsohle tsa South Africa because I did not have the intention. I can explain the intention kabo. Marbotla ba kina the intention kabon. Even if relaxane le bona, ba tla o jwetsa hore November na le jealous. Ne ke bole. Hona le mong hona mona o teng mona life mon. O teng no as we speak. Ne ke jwala le yana fela. I did not have the intention ka yena. Next na the intention. But immediately I like the intention. Keep I like morata. Kaki I like the problem ka motino why. Kaki no baby I can't the vote in ankate. The way kaki I like the jealous because any into itanda yo ukaluma ne jealous ngayo. Kabali jealous kaye. What's it about them like and a pili kifikle yana get na the intention. Na ke mo ja fela next na tabalen. But the day kini keep I like morata. Keep I like the intention. Kaki I like change. The way ke mona ka te ke qala ke change everything ke sa batle hore a tene so ke qala so good di tsala ndif lona ba batla go ya manyalo lona ba batla go ya lenyalo lona ba batla di commitment relationship if you want to go to marriage with the girl mentality hlala kokwethu dula halona. If you want to go to marriage with the girl mentality, fuck off, hlala kokwenu sana. Dula halon. Hlala kokwe. If una li room, dula room nya hao. If you have your house, stay at your place. If untate hlala kwakho. If you want to go to marriage with the boy mentality. Yeka nukusokolisa abantwana babantu ningamaqhegu akudala lelimaqhegu agale lika dikwaetse sa tsweng hantle abanye nisokolisa nje akho nepipa apho kuwe awuna lekwayi ke compressor ra fela ya pipe esina moya yo pipe engana moya mas hana skera sukudisa na bazalwane masika sokolisana ni bantakwethu because recreatela frustration unnecessary, re createla di problemi unnecessary. Tseo no sa tshwanela ho kena ho yona. Kana ninje bantu go to make you commitment. Juan fela ye ka commitment. Kana ninje. Juan fela lo commitment because batho ba sa batleng commitment ba kiwa nje abafuni niks and uza kuxelela thi neke kuparijane fela. Linana ntho yabo sex partner linana ihlaka into ke batho ba sa batleng commitment mara ba funa utyelwa nje umntu no let us be sex partners singa no streams are ntwenu streams yona ntwenu endifuna uyithethe yona ntwenu bakanga uyibua yona streams are streams. You know when Record Palemo talk about this whole thing, that's when I've realized most marriages are going to last. And I go guys, we did not have any problem in the Record Kafela reviewer. We did not have any problem. Facebook on the internet network yati. They review our relationship. But Hans that's when he realized, oh, okay, now I understand. Now, guys, Facebook and I antenna. Network Facebook antenna. Here is the thing. Beginga the comment. Every company inally rules and resumation. Every company inally rules of resumation on Google. Inally code of conduct. Inally rules and regulation. Thank you. Inally code of conduct. Company inally rules and the conduction. Yes, that's what I say. Good, I think code of thank you. Company inally code of conduct. Yati. Khosana sentlatsa nthoka sentlatsa pina batha kampeng se etsa malaka beloso company engwe le engwe ena le code of conduct ya day le mmamele bana baka omnye nomnye umtshato una omnye enye nenye indoda monna omulu is like a company yakwala Muna omolomo when uya endodeni company enwe lengwe inali rules of resurrection ongutra le code of conduct ongutra when ufuna umtshato immediately ubatla lenyalo kapa ubatla a permanent or stable relationship. You must know that ufana nomuntu ofuna umsebenzi. And a man mo ring awufika emsebenzini uzofundelwa rules and conditions on the code of conduct. Banda kwethu. Uzofundelwa and you are going to be forced to align the rules of the conduct the company. You are going to be forced. Awusibaxelela pha ukuthi hayi mina ndikhalanga lento akyaxwayela mthena awutoba nje into company yawo no now I'm not used on this and no now I don't feel comfortable. I feel comfortable when I'm dressed like this. No bazalwane, no. Tloela manyalo yekani mitshato bantakwethu. Tloela manyalo ke a le kopa. Tloela manyalo batho bohle ba seng willing to change. Tloela manyalo. Masekeni mitshato bantakwethu. Ha re tloela di commitment ha re jwa mahala ke kopa ke a le kopa jwa mahala ebile sentse le jwa mahala already itywan mahala bantakwethu because le qaduwe ebile le jwa mahala. Le jwa mahala ni jwa mahala bantakwethu. Illa di tlabore le no di putsa di kwa di kuku tsa lona zitlwebile di tla di mushroom zitlwebile because jwale ho kena di kwai zikhanyana zikwai di rotela ke di kwai tse different tse ding di kwai di tla ka mushroom ke mahala because each and every company ke kopa lo jotsa netina le rules and code of conduct ya teng hore apha kusetyenzwa nje le lenyalo is the same matakwethu le lenyalo is the same. That is why it's very important to sit down and check hore now we were doing that le motho aka re check and ke be ke mo botsa ke baby when you check everything are you willing, are you still ready to be my wife? Because ke mo jotsa ka re ne ke jotsa wa ka motho ke baby because mona ho sebetswa John, are you aware hore mona ho sebetswa so now here's the thing, are you willing, are you still willing to be a wife ya kana? And believe me and I'm sure my mates if I'm not going to or no I get to hold next to understand the next to quarter next to quarter next. If even on the to know baby, I think no there are things I can feel it into the I can hold in next to quarter. Neruto local lad, bezo kulula. Gabe kisna moto no. Gabe kisna moto. And nekito kala fatso baka moto mu. And nekito mata beke mo hlaisa hape mona belon roka and beksa 40. Nekito mo hlaisa hape. And belon roka and beksa 40 because na hake kwa ika kwa yalona le abana ba lona di kwa itsa bana ba lona kitsene di ditsimono ibile ha ba di kuti. Next to quarter. And you know why next to quarter? Because you to understand hore I cannot kimutlise ntonya feeling hore yena ka se be right to yon. Next to mo foster. You know why? Because most yamadoda are foster abafazi. Ukungena emichated bonke lo madoda ba miserable. Most yabasadi ba fostileng banna ho ba kinya manyalo. Go and ask those women. They are all frustrated because it's very dangerous to force a person to be a wife or to be a husband. It's very dangerous to force a person. Samasha babasai ba initiate lenyalo. Ba pushiteng or marriage ibete. All of them they are very miserable. Most of them na bakara ba pushiteng ba ilem ba initiate ba pusha. Ba miserable. When you come understand. And the next time when you force a person, when you push a person who kinya karanto, you aren't ready for yona, kebutata bobkai. It's a problem, guys. Abantu namhlanje bachati, but most of people are not happy. I'm not happy. And that is why divorce is a phalanx speed. That is why about divorce is very easy. That is why about the relationship is easy. Because we force abantu, reforce abantu to be in a commitment relationship or a commitment marriage. Umfostile. And that is why today, Baba Baluna, you are alone to that house. You are alone to that marriage. You are alone to that relationship because kwena fostile mutu abe hubeli relationship kwena foster. Yo. Umametsu waka. Ki bwa pela ntate mudimbona. Pela mrena Jesu le pela manyole. Na if an angel zora baby I think who change the only thing she was willing to change some of the things. And she was willing. Because Lena, I'm also willing to change some of the things. And that is why today relationship in happy. We are happy. You know why? Because she's willing to change. I'm also willing to change. But if I say no baby, I get no next I come convince. Next I come convince. Next I come convince. Beso puma joko ho arwan. Emunde mata atwe I lo fola line ya masingile. Akitsi bile amkhutwa nabana baka. Le tloba miserable ka ramanyalo ana a o lile lona ba o pushitseng. Le tloba miserable hle. You will be miserable hle. You are the only person who's going to be concerned. Every time ko ena tla bontsha re baby nkala silungise, baby kupa relukise, baby no, I think there's something that's not okay. Most about baka ramanyalo au ba o fostileng ke bona again ba sebetsang ka thata to fix and to every time ko ena fela ya concern nguwe nje ko ena fela tla ba le concern go reach but something is not right, we need to talk baby, we need most abantu ba force imichato ga bona ba always who are much concerned, who are always concerned, who are ko ena fela. And most about forced-ile manyalo. Kibona fela ba rata ngulukisa nguwe nje ufuna baby let us sit down and fix. Kwena. And then tshwana na ko ngufumana isabatlulu ubua ye. Le khamorsi na muloi. Ufumana isabatlulu ubua ntwena ya hawe isabatlu ubua. Oh no okay sharp baby are you okay? No okay sharp. No okay sharp. Baby ke kopa re bue no okay sharp. No let's leave it. No, don't mind. I'm okay. I will be fine. Satan. This Satan is just talking mafinita. This Satan is just talking karukai tola mafinita kapo tole halipirima. Because when you are alone in a relationship or alone in a marriage, guo solo ku concern. Kwena to solo ka untoro marriage something is not right. Baby kiko parimi refix. Baby please kiko parito dula fat. Nguwe kwama tosoja aka suggesta you will always suggest to khala phansi, you will always suggest to baby please let's fix this, baby please let's buy this, baby let's do this, baby let's plan this, let's when I'm not forced you will always push kuyo yonke into baloi bana ba khathe ke maloi ntho tse hloka go batlwa mafinita ha ke tsi ba rekiswa kae mafinita o kopanye le Blue Death o kopane le Domesto a ke tsi mo tshelle o mo batlele le ntho Endi Galileo Satan Hi Looking at the jig Hi Sure Hi Basalan Sure. Hi. Hey manyalo the relationship. Taba tubana ba sa batlang ho kena ka ratsona wena o bo mo pushetsa ka mo o za o nyanyi kanyela nyi o no pushetse mo relationship ka pa lenyalo o tlanyanyi ke o jetsa ka la jwale ka tweba ngwanaka undibuze mna ene ke le jwale ka tweba ke lla ke ne qala bona hore monna ya dipirotong ke bona ke na le dipiroto no pushe motho no force motho le kene lenyalo ka relationship le qala bona hore ke na le dipiroto ke re bana o tlwaneleng ke na le dipiroto o tlalla jwale ka tweba ke ya manyalo le di relationship o nyile nyi tlore tena mono tsore you must love yourself You must start by you of loving yourself. Uba botse ka fela ke ba nyeleng bang ba you must love yourself. You must love yourself. You must prioritize. You must have a self-love. Ba nyile le ba nyise le rato ni. Ka go tla motivate ma. Ka go tla motivate ma. Tla jwetsa ke nna ke tswa mo ke opola ke le swa ke le nthong ke le Maputo ke le motivational speaker motsiara ke motivate ntho go tswanaka you must love yourself busiu ne ke la jwale ka tweba yes ke la jwale ka pudi ya litwela le fostetsweng buthuela sangoma e fostuweng ye kenyang buthueleng kankana motsiare ke tshwere khebera ke re you must love yourself ke tshwere self ke ntse ke re you must love yourself motsiare ke le ke etsa di motivation ke kentse motho lenyalo yena sa batle lenyalo a sa njwetsa mara ke na le design ke bona re design di temo gore motho a batle lenyalo ya ke be ke kena ke kinywa ke also lovely le mphomotseng ba inkinya bara kena ha kuna bungozi lo ba inkinya bara ha kuna bungozi gena ka be ke kena ke kinywa ke batho bo mphomotseng le also lovely enwa ya siko tsa tseneng ka di bona di red flag ngwana ka ke di bona tjeng ka ba jwetsa ka bitsa mphomotseng le seleke ka ba jwetsa ka ba bitsetswa restaurant ka re guys mona teng ha itlo sebetsa ntwena if nganyala motho I'm going to be frustrated ke ba njwetsa ka English no ntate mruti no don't be discouraged don't be shy kena ntate mruti ntwena kella jwale ka pudi ya ditwela lesna ndipono dikhala njenge nto mntanam isangoma engaboni esina ndipono kietsa bo ke hitsa jwale ka litwela lesna ndipono lesa khone go bona ke hema dikhala bo mtseri kietsa you must love yourself difinya ngelo xesha balisiko bathwana bankenya you must love yourself ebusuku ndikhala ndisinya mntanam nyi boy you must love yourself banyi uba both you must love yourself ayitlifela itlisa kunye uzawunya unye utlo bo must love yourself you must love yourself banyile hlola ke ba shebile mo ke re banyi you must love yourself hello sure era o re batla kuku o bone motho kuku ena ko re bone re e ka raka screw full ko re ka raka batla 14 spanner ko re a screw full ko re bone re yo motho ha tseba ka etsang ko re ha o re batla kuku ko re o mmone re o shotela fela ko e tshwara so ko re ka raka re ibambe hle ikela ko re mmone re motho o shotela ko screw full a tshwara ka letsware baby hle ke kopa o ijelle mona o mmone re motho o shotela fela ko re a re baby ke kopa o ije mona o ska bang hemela unga mphefumulele with lona ha re kwa leng bana ba ntate ne ke le hopoe let's style sesa doki mama let's style se position ya doki mbotseng position ya no ke ya eng ke tla le jwetsa ke le jwetsa position ya doki en nja ke le jwetsa re lona le wetse fela o di motho ene ya doki mamanyeng nteno ke kopa ke le jwetse gore style seno ke sa eng as much as se tsamaile la qeteletse le se enjoy mara ke le jwetse po don't give it off from the person when you don't love the person, when you are not able to look the person, when you are not ready to feel the breath ya motho utlwa sa morata o mo shebiletse utlwa a o hemela ha bohloko utlwa mohemo wa hae o phefumula ka ke e ka re ho etsa suffocation e ka re kwa kuvala e ka re ha o kwala e ka re ke suffocation o etsa suffocation or suffocation where's a suffocation now whether le kgetha o entsha ka morao because ha o khumami a o mbone ha o khumami ka mangwela ha o mo bone ha o bone utlwa fela uvanjikhala la nto ngemva awumboni doki is for people motho anga iqali una sa rate motho ke le jwetse nna ke mo prophet I'm a prophet ke bona in the spiritual world when you don't love the person, when you don't feel the person, when you do not interested to the person umufa doki so that ungamboni skanda tlo mosheba mona ntse a tletsa tjena o dima ha o tine o feta o tineka because le yona nthela mtava zona o chincha mahlaruna wa re chincha ka mahlo jalo wa tina o ntso shebile motata wa tina right ai tsamaetsa dintho tse ka moraka tsamaetsa dintho tse ka moraka ba tlo bona o ntso tsamo di etsa ka moraka Hi. Kila bona motanta ke kopa o tle ka morao jwa ya ka morao one traumatize one traumatize le tselo a hlamang ka teng one traumatize le smele sa hao a se monate ya ngemva o mo isa kwana morao ba hiring kwana o semetsana nempuntu ga wana fela ebile ha o tinne hantle ha o di hlatswe le dibolo tsela mo fa tsona di le jwalo mohlanga o tinne hantle o mo fa tsona di le jwalo ngwana go kile bona e amathumbo e kusha nqa kapa mala a gomo ha sa hamua hantle batho ba wa janga ba wa qete ao tinne o mo fa dibolo tse ntse di le jwalo di tletse pina ba thankgelwe mo a tsebe o tloa ka morao o mo fa tsona ntse di tswa mosinyana moo nkga phu o mo fe tsona di le jwalo tika nka zutse o ska tlo dula nako e telele ka moraka mo kgalemela ka lephoka ngwanaka o mo tlosa ka lephoka o ra ska nka nako e telele Yes! Marhe, hay que cuala. Hay que cuala. Skelatama. Okay. La bana. ditulo ha motho entse doki style hona le toilet paper setseng e ntse etsa fleke nyana tje hona le toilet paper e ntse toilet paper mamaretseng itse toilet paper e mamaretsitse tje fuck off lo batla professional pastor ya moruti wa hao fuck off a yetse bo batla ngona wena demon fuck off lo batla professional pastor o no se eastern o no sa eastern wena fuck off ga wana le nnahle tsa mo batla professional pastor ya hao ga wana le life ya ka nna kapa o na le toilet paper o tlo kwatela a ke bua ka di toilet paper kapa o na le toilet paper ka morago o tlo nsukela mo nna ne tse bua ka toilet paper ya hao ka ditonong tsa wa ke so e bone nna a go so fihle ditonong tsa why you were offended e tlo njetsa ka professional pastor tsa mo batla professional pastor ya moruti wa hao nna go so bone ditono tsa hao ska tlo nsukela mo nna ke bua ka ditono tsa South Africa e seng tsa hao body kapa batho mo dimbi be ditono tse ke ne ke bua ka tsona tse nang le toilet paper ke tsa hao nge di wipe ha ya ba o sokola di ska tlo re tena mo so dia fala ke a kwala modula stulo ke a kwala guys le kene Facebook nyaka live ena tlabelete Facebook live ena tlabelete Facebook ha ke kwala mona e tlabelete Facebook ya Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry Pastor November and Victorious Faith Ministry. Then so guys, kia kwala here. Ki bua pela ntate modimo. If we are not willing to change. And I ki bua ka change. Ki bua ka change that is needed in your marriage or in your relationship. A ke kgathalla hore ke a diphahlo. A ke kgathale ke a behave kapa ke a motsamayo kapa ke eng change is needed nina bantu abafuna ukutshata if ubatla unyalwa kapa batla lenyalo you must be ready for a change here dingeka because it's one of the requirement to hloka mo it's one of the things ke di requirements to hlokalang and nina bantu abathi anifuna uchinjwa lona ba reng ha le batla uchinjwa ena lona le batla uchinjwa fokofang manyalo fokofang di relationshiping fokofang lona batho ba reng ba batla uchinjwa aba batla uchinjwa di relationshiping aba batla uchinjwa manyalo fokofang ya nicela fokofang tsatsine fokofang etsang 8 folk no hambani bazalwane hambani because that's one thing ekitola ngikoqa le motho ka kere you know now guys ke hotse ke sotleya di hlupheke ke sotleile so much in my life ke sotleile so much the day ke ne ke thola an opportunity to change my life ke le ka isebedisa ka pelo ka kaofela and even today every time I really want to pay revenge to the enemy, I want to be happy. To the fullest, guys, I want to be happy. Ke batla ba happy stratum, ke batla ba happy in my church. I want to be happy everywhere. Ntisenga swase sa apostle coffee. I'm following you after a very long time of following you. May God bless you. Fuck off, Apostle. Fuck off, Papa. Fuck off, Antatuaka. Fuck off, Abutuaka. Samaya, go fuck you. You are not even supposed to tell me or you are unfollow me. Because even the day when you were following me, you did not make me aware. You just fuck off in truth. Fuck off in quietness. Fuck off, fuck off, Apostle, with a pressure. Go with a pressure. Fuck off. You are not supposed even to make me aware. Fuck off. Go fuck it. You are supposed to eat Holy Communion now and finish that Holy Communion that was salty. Holy Communion and sit down and read the collect of your money, of your church. Hey, fuck off. You don't need to tell me by the God bless me. Fuck off, Apostle. Fuck off, man of God. Samaya, you don't need to tell me about the blessing. Hamba. Don't tell me of the God of my blessing. Hamba. Even if you didn't say it, he's already blessed me. You don't tell me. Hey, kaba bafundisi basidinile. Kaba bamutime Holy Communion. Fuck off, Pastor. Khawana le nama. Hey, baruti ba baruteng na ba. Kapa ba mo leile di 10 ranta le di 5 ranta jwalo o tlo ntshetsa stress go nna Saturday Apostle. Una tshwantse be o shebeletse di terror kwana. Pastor, go to 150 mankana kai baruti. Go to and check the other pastors. There are a lot of pastors who are preaching in the TV. Fuck off. Assembly Mruti. But I love you. You are my brother. I love you so much, Apostle of the South Africa. You are my brother. I love you. Even if now I say fuck off, Mary, deep down I love you. Deep down in my heart, I love you. You are my brother. But yeah, I'm busy fixing the country. So you don't need to come and read down and following me. Fuck off. But I love you. And Lena, God bless you too. So, now, when, okay, nekiba kataba ore, kinekiba kataba ya ore, Sankila, my brother. So, Negere, you know, one of the things in a prayer yak every time. Guys, do you know that he divorced 2 times now? 2 times. First divorce, first divorce, he divorced camera 22 years. He divorce. And then the other divorce, I took only 1 year. He divorce. Trongeli Jesus Piri. Izande nkalelinyana. Kina le batho bane ba le monate. Nate. Ke ba fokofisitse le monate wa bona jole ka apostol. Ke ba fokofise no monate babo. Ke ba fokofisitse le monate wa bona. Bane ba le monate. Nate. Babe mnate. Bebe mnandi. Nandi. Bane ba le monate. Mara kile ka ba fokofisa le menate ya bona kare. Nka menate ya bona. Balo le foko feka yona balo le tshwata pele ke be ke bina pinereng hamba jubala boya go kwita phambili hamba jubala boya go kwita phambili ke bina pina ye. You know why? One of the thing and desire ke tla ibua until morena Jesu a tlo nthola ke dutse mo Jesu Christ o zo nfumana ndihleli apha. One of the thing endiboni ngathi abantu abayazi ekena le bothata ka yona ke hore batho abatsi bo re ba lo etsa maphelo nga batho ba ba. Difuna licela labazalwane batho baya maphelo nga batho ba rabatsi bo lo etsa abantu bayazibokwenza into ezimpilweni zabantu. Total batho abatsi bo re ba lo etsa maphelo nga batho. Abantu bayathatha abantu banyalwa bayetsa di white wedding mar ha batsibi hore ba lo etsa eng maphelo nga batho. So here's the problem. Into yongena emtshatweni nomuntu ongekho ready, it will frustrate you. Uzaba frustrated. Into yongena commitment with somebody who's not ready, you will be miserable. Now, because you are going to be responsible, responsible for the readiness. Readiness. You are the one who fancy at least said that readiness to this person, because the person was not ready. The person was not ready. And if you go to marriage with the person who was not ready, also no readiness. You must create that readiness. And it's a problem, to create a readiness to somebody who is not ready. When a woman is ready, you will be miserable. You can sebetsa ngwana ka lo feta company ya hao. O tla sebetsa lo feta ya bana la bana ba ba le a sebetsa di company tsa lona, but o tla sebetsa o za o sebenza umsintsila ube ngwefu. Tla sebetsa di bono di be putso to bring somebody to the readiness, and especially when that person is ready. Yes. Now here's the thing. Now ntwe tsore ke tlwele batho ndi ba ye ke bonka bonto nqomba ya makambe nempundu zakhe ha tsamaye di bunisa ha tsamaye le di hazard ha tsamaye le sombamba somtlapurela ha tsamaye le di bono makambe nezino into eyiwani nje nna ke hotse ke sotleha ha bohloko he nna ke sotlehile bendihlupheka di phahlo ke sotlehile ka sotleha hore ke be le dijo nda hlupheka ke hotse ke sotleha. Now God changed my life. Modimo tshintshile bophelo baka. Now I want to celebrate what God did to me. I really want to celebrate what God did to me. Now, imichato yetu, manyalo aruna, aritibela lo celebrate what God did to you. Some of you don't even enjoy what you have now. Banye, because no vuya, aliata, balikara the relationship, but you're not happy. You're not happy. You can't even celebrate your cars. You can't even celebrate your money. You can't celebrate your work. You can't celebrate your business. You can't celebrate the next things. I will never do that. Na ngambaka twela buruti na ngafane ndiye kubufundisi. Ngambaka twela buruti. Ngabutwela buruti na ngabutwela. That is why I took a decision in November. You are going to celebrate your life as if ikar. That is why kinale botolo ye. That is why kinale botolo ye. Kinale botolo ye. That is why I can last year. Tu peux refill, no? Tu peux refill la bottle. Tu peux better full tank bottle. Tu peux refill, no? Tu peux catch a bottle. And I can forge. Can I get some little murutium, really restauranting? How to figure order wine? Murutar by Kiseka Kitila to buy Senjaketin, AIK wine. Carnaca Kikupaliki Seka glass. Yeah, wine can to completely second glass ya wine. I don't know glass wine glass to coffee mark. Karaxin na you. Karikisang glass into wine yaka kanto ka coffee ka glass ya wine. Na ana said you restaurante ke pato kilo patala bill ya restaurante kino wine kino la kara glass ya nto ya kara coffee mark ndita but once I said Dr. November, dumelang, ke ba dumedisa. Na ke a kena bottle store, ndi a ngena. Ke a kena le no ke tlo kena bottle store, ndi a ngena. Di thukeni, ndroake. Ndroake bana be go ga di thukeni. Ndroake le bo apostol le di thukeni kopanele let's in community of property of the tlhapa o fela le ditlisa ke a kena nna ke jotse maphuto wa ka ka re nna ka ha ka kena wine ke a enwa wine ke a sela nna ndi a sela ba sana yo le runa re batla bophelo bona kana go tse di ga ba batlo bo shebe le soba bophelo bo batla bo shebe o le dizzy what a way dizzy sometimes o bo shebe o le dizzy yo life yela e batlo shebe o le soba iza kufambanisa tla hlanya na sometimes kwa tshaba hlaka itsekile ke batla intlo ka mi ingathi ya jikeleza mntanami ke shebe life ke re oh life o song ya ke bone ntho tse ntle fela di le siko ke di shebe ke le dizzy ke re oh wow ke ipone ke na le tšhelete ha ke le dizzy ke bona dikoloi ke bona di Ferrari ke re oh ke Ferrari ya ka ya le Ferrari ke re Mustang ke bona dikoloi tse siko ka pela ntlo ka ke re oh ke na le Mustang ha ke hlapela dio mare at least ke di bone now dithukeni nrwakeng ana ke kgathallega nrwakeng ha ke tlo phela la lona mo that is why you know ke a polygamy no ke a polygamy no ke a polygamy motho wa ka wa tseba re a polygamy nna le I'm going to be the first pastor wa Pulus. I'm not going to backslide. I'm not going to leave God. I'm not going to backslide. I get to la Morena Jesu. I get to la Pulus. Bo Dr. Nala ba tloeletse Pholoso bo mang ba tloeletse Pholoso ke ba tloela Pholoso ke ba nonka polygamy nna ke tlo nka polygamy ke ntse ke le ho Morena Jesu ke tlo nka polygamy ke ntse ke le ho Morena Jesu di lapha nna ke tlo nka Pholoso ke le mona ke tlo nka polygamy ke le mona ho Morena Jesu hobane gale ke etsa polygamy ntse ke le ho Morena Jesu le baruti ba lona ba yentse polygamy ba le ho Morena Jesu le nna ke tlo etsa ke le ho Morena Jesu. So, ke batla hore he. Now, the reason why ke tlweletse batho ka etsa eng ka etsa I was avoiding frustration and le ho hloka peace. Now, andiyazi ba why lenyalwa lona ha le qetile be le lo frustrate batho kapa le lo frustrateana andiyazi mina that is why ke re andiyazi abantu niela ntweni emitshatweni fa bona le batho ba tsa tsebelletsa manyalo ha ke tsebe ne le etsa manyalo ba bang ba lona ke tsebe ne le lo batla maphelong abantu andiyazi no ufuna ntweni ezimpilweni zabantu abanye benu ha ke tsebe le batla maphelong abantu ba bang andiyazi ne ufuna ntweni because ni frustrate njabantu le frustrate batho le utsweditse batho khotso since u fihlile bophelong ba monna wa hao indoda ka isavuyanga since u fihlile bophelong ba mosadi wa hao mosadi yona wa batho ha sa thabile boyfriend wa ha sa thabile next abantu ba savuyanga batho ba sa thabile since re fihlile maphelong a batho because one of the thing ke ithutile yona siye bantwini singayazi ba siyokwenza ntoni ezimpilweni zabantu. Now, when ubatla lenyalo, when you want a commitment relationship, a serious relationship, zimisele ukutshintsha, ikemisele ngotshintsha, because as much ubatla lenyalo kapa batla commitment, you need to understand marriage or a man, it's like a company, and only job description and a lead a code of conduct is that thing in and in company ngwe le tla o jotsa hore mona ho etswa so mona o philwa so mona o etswa so no mtshatu njalo le lenyalo le jwalo le din ina le code marriage o mong le o mong le monna o mong le o mong o na le code of conduct ya hae na le code of conduct and if I ready for ntotho jwalo ya ka no se moshele class tlola ngo senyetsana ha ba jana mahala mamatumi ha ba jwe mahala dikuku tsana tsa bona di thubele tse ding le di jisu in tsa teng ha di sa liyo di dutse mona di ji in tsa teng sport in di dutse mona di nyoluile di phamisitswa ba di pushitse because the more chincha banna ba di pusha ba ipusha e dutse mona e ka re ke hard burner wena ona le hard burner kanti ba inyolotse ji sporting ba ipushile ba ichala ba inyola e dutse mona e ka re ke hard burner yo ntoro na le hard burner o ntse o na le inkoma o na le bitse ntoro o na le hard burner kanti ke GEE ba inyolotse ba ipushitse na jiwa mahala banta kwethu ya ka masekene sokolisa ke be ke kwala jwalo ke a kwala jwalo ke a kwala jwalo ya pele ke kwala kere mona ke lefa lefa, mona ke lefa take away, ke lefa take away, ke lefa take away, ke lefa take away, mona ke donkey back mona, ke lefa donkey back mona. Kukho amadoda, hey, mamela mthena ke a o qetela, hona le banna bao in the boys. And when a boy can meet a girl, iba excited. Ke kopa o iphetha. Ke kopa o iphetha. Ke kopa o iphetha. We have boys who are looking for girls. And those boys, when they meet you as a girl, they will never change you. They will never change or expect a change from you. Uza kusa utla tsamaya ditlapong le wena a o nwese a o tlwele o tsamaye jwale ka legosha a yetseng a be a breke ka wena o khulule dipenti di hlale di bono a ba breka ka wena because sometimes we've got boys who are looking for girls. Now when u fika kulo mntu u fika o le a girl, he will celebrate you, he will enjoy you. The problem is when you filter to the husband, to somebody who is a husband. Now, ubotaka mentality. No, my ex-boyfriend, they did not have any problem about how I dress. My ex-boyfriend did not have any issues. I did not have any, we did not fight with me. Cantino, your ex-boyfriend was just the boy. He who was not interested to you. A girlfriend. It is the same thing when you company only a wife material, or a boy. A boy will always looking for girls. And when you company mushimani, one munna. Yes. I don't tell la Ruben, I don't forget, I don't tell like everything you do. Leba shiman bana babunta, tebana baba hole. Leba they will do. But that this boy a girl. Girl out in this mind in it summer alien, that girl high mind. Wow, no one tuba untate, you just drink money, have 40 girl. Why you know? Now when I fish ukopana linda ton uta is a mentality, a wife mentality or baby. No, but you don't need to waste your money kajwala. Ubona karu you are a difficult person. I know, I got a lot of celibate days. A girl will always be, a boy will be very frustrated on that one. Oh, Baba frustrated. Don't come. How Muhammad or baby? Don't waste money, baby. Please, just be responsible. Uko kwata. Bonta te bana Baba shimani ban. So now when ukopa na lintate, ya ilinkhale ratana le banana, ataka kelelo ya bushimani. When not only a wife, what's about to attend to? Uto kwata, uto mu irritate, uto mu frustrate. Especially when you want to change that man. Uto ba frustrated because he was so happy to have boys, to have girls. Bana basa mu change. Bana basa khatale ntwa ipila. That is why today most of men are so much frustrated to pila little girls. Karamanyalo abon. The basani baba ngata ba frustrated to pila little boys. Ikheko nje lo tata omdala olupheleyo kakwa yeshwile ngontsatsama busiwe ha utlulala estratweni kakwa yeshwile ngontlo ulobonsa batho ru wiki akaka lo mfana we 60 years or 50. Hallelujah. Kwa yena le stroke. Yes. Have kitine. Jesus, kutla popela ka phahane. Agora ke mo mamedi. Hai sale ke re ke kwala. Agora ke mo mamedi. Agora ke mo mamedi. Agora ke mo mamedi. Agora ke mo mamedi. ke a kwala jwale a gore ke nke momamedi ke a kwala a gore ke nke mamedi ba babedi ba bararo fela ke kwale Cherry re tele ka Cherry ke
dithi bayakudika ngoku bayakuthuka aba bantu abasathane bayakuthuka uthetha inyani ngoku abakufuni
andinandaba nabo aba ke nadaba le bona
ngeentoni ezinestroke ezomeleleyo basile
bye my sweetheart
bye
ke nka momamedi Cherry
foto sa G se tsamao kae ntate
imme
foto sa G wa se tsamao kae mo rona mona
foto sa G se dutse mona
re se khembe ka cleavage moruti
ba se pushitse a kra le ntse le tšhentšha banna gona le batlankanisa ba tlantše ga le ba batle le bana ba tlantše na le ba batle jalo go tlila bana ba fihla ba di pusha di dutse mona di-G spoto sa di-G di dutse mo ke di-hardburner yo Cherry Thulani Thulani ke o feta Bosvark Bosvark go shapo mataka man are you good my big brother
wa tseba ke batla Novi batho ba sa tsebeng gore o lokisa country hona le batho ba sa tsebeng gore o lokisa country o romwe ke modimo gore o lokise country batho ba tsamaka Novi batho ba tsamaka dikwae tse tshwereng ke stroke mara ba phapha hore ba phapha hore Novi di tleba ka ntle ka mo mara ntho e shirinkile ke stroke a sebetse ka re lela la go
Bosvark kuba ihle mona
bye tsala bye
ke a kwala nna Puli
Mena doctor
yes abuti wa ka
o jwang fada
shapo jwang abuti man
monate fada monate
thank you abuti
I hope ba utlwile fada
ka nnete abuti wa
ka nnete ntate o bile ntho tse kgolo ka nnete tisheng tsa o di kgolo fada
abuti wa ka ke a leboha ma
nnete
you know
I wish we can understand
you know abuti wa ka people nna ka nnete I don't want to lie a ke tse batho ba le etsa maphelong a batho ba bang a ke tsebe sefapano I don't know and you know Tamoshaba it's the company kaofela tseo batho ba teng ba sa following a code of conduct ya company di wele kaofela where there's no rules where was na molao teng di company tsa batho ba batsho di wele kaofela because ha ona molao ha ona code of conduct there is nothing doing and batho ba tla o treata manyalo jwalo ba batla o tla manyalong ha ba batla o controller ha ba batla o bolellwa ha ba batla o tshintshwa ha ba batla nne motho ba tla hore batho ba batla o acceptiwa batho ba batla o acceptiwa ka dintho tse ba leng tsona ai No, thank you, Pule. Thank you, Mr. Pule.
My doctor.
Mr. Pule, thank you so much.
Dr. Novi.
Tula Makaveli.
Very much fun.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pule. Tula Makaveli Tamakala ini. Tobile.
And at a pasta.
Yes, my baby.
Kirikirata niti ya hao fela ntate.
Au shekha ike
Kala
diak.
ubona. Mara fela niti ya hao. Yo ko ratile ntate waka. Kibile ko follow ile kia rata sheo.
Aish, but to understand amaru etala manyalo le di relationship. Hai.
I can understand that. I can understand that. Re dula le di heartburn tsa rona. Ai le khala re saile. Kore re fokofa ya mahala yona re dutse le di heartburn tsa rona straight. Cause really code and conduct.
But, Martobile, it is a problem, Wanaruna. You know why, Kichujol? Because, let us be honest, are you working now, or you're not working?
I'm working, Pastor.
Okay. Most of the time, there is no code of conduct.
Iteng, Pastor.
Are we following?
Okay, follow a Pastor.
Jolo to sugula un follow a code of conduct to na as a husband down.
How tata ho no Pastor. Butata iba ntwane ya hore hutla boyfriend ene jwale nna ke bona jalo ho ska kopa ha o kopane iba like fela di kopane ntho tse ndi a fapana fela.
No, I hear you. Like itchilo kere o kopana le boy when only a wife. Jolo boy yena jolo tshotso tlo sebetsana le ona mo transform hore ibe a husband. Jolo wa sebetsa o thewetse o sorta ntwena hore e change. Yes.
And I sothe.
Ha ba tsama ka dikwai tsa bona. Ha tsama hore na una o lisa ka China ha foko fele kwa ya hae. O tla bo folela ine hape.
Hi, Pastor.
Na ke foko fitse bana ba ntshwara kore o fumana e tshwere kwa yena ka ikaribile tla gaua kore ke utlwa re yana ke suicidal of the a ke tsebe di reka English how we gamme of the suicidal ke utlwa re o e gamme gore kwa ye ke re foko fale suicidal of the harm of the kwa foko aba foko Bye, my sweetheart. Guys, Kyakwal. 5457. Bualin.
Hello, Pastor.
Hello, my sweetheart. And you mutwako kabana ujwang. Khale ke di dulisa.
Rakopa fela re le country.
Halena batho lona ba buantse halena batho le batla go dula le lona mo
Re rata le katiba e ya hao.
But guys, let us change. Let us be ready for change. Manyalo le di relationship. Let us be ready for change. If but was willing to change, can it about manyalo le di relationship? How about well? Can it about well? I know already dwelling, guys. Don't frustrated now. Unalimutu, but you are so much frustrated. Even you are better when you are alone. Since unalimutu, you are miserable. And how do I say to ulela lekwa imon how na nixe biti ra thing. Runare lela.
Na somo la ina.
I quality.
Pastor, why can't go in na so?
We're not lela. Molinde.
Ke kwa ifela. Twengwe.
I have 57. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 7. Kuwai.
Ke robetse ke le 1 no ha ke tsebe moshemane o moholo kae.
Oh, what do you want to take you back on? Now, you go and enjoy the social Muhulu or other responsible. Go and no. You are so miserable, Molinte. Aye. Miss Cat. No, thank you so much. I love you with all my heart. Bye.
Love you too, Pastor.
Love you, my baby. Love you. Empowerment. The man of God. The man of God.
Spiritual too much but they are too spiritual.
Wow.
Because regase creating everywhere. I let them blame you now, Kere. You got my support and I salute. Continue to fix the country now.
I think that they can
because as one Babu, but hardly the pulpiting at Honuka Buagan to China, but the guy Grace Honore recreate motoloring a platform of this thing. Like now I'm encouraged, honestly speaking. They can say whatever they want to say, I don't care.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Because
honestly, yeah.
Looks at my lapa, looks at the relationshiping. Because you are a man of God to be color, then you can't say anything, can't even get out of that marriage or maybe to go a relationship you because of when else have I get a talent.
I never color.
And I can see game I'm going to give me when I can have a folk off. I have a name by a folk over, have a folk off. I gave you drug one, I could be doing that game at Sababa. I'm going to get it. I went out for both. You give well a baba. I don't for. No, I can't know.
Some I'm a focus from Java focus. I'm a focus. I have a focus. But you know, guys. On a serious note, it's frustrating the way the relationship is last. Marriage has lasted. Good days now. The relationship had lasted in total altogether. And you know why? Because people they don't want to change. And I'm here to change to teach about the change. That is why I get about what the about change. If your husband, your partner, are baby, I can tell 1, 2, 3 kawen. And when you are not willing to change, fuck off alinyalo leo balo uzamahal. Really amazing. We call it Suta Mahal.
Whenever you are called, you need to go through areas because and then some people whenever receive Christ, they have to learn something from you. What is that they are learning from us as Christians? So Nagi Popo is senior Gerial. Motrasa UBCC teaching a focus.
Thank you, Mr. Empower. Thank you. I'll go Tule when I see you out of Focus. Tule. Familia Empower. Seba yanaka bua yeu liama hasa mamen ayeteche Fine bye familia kakile rata hulu bye my sister bye ntatwa kamanta
Doctor
Kiata wena simpiu Makaveli.
Doctor, how are you?
I'm good, Mr. Makaveli. How are you, my big brother?
I'm good, Doctor. I'm frustrated.
Ntate, ke a itseba ntho eo. Jole, ke le lokisetsa country, ke le lokisetsa basadi. Ke le lokisetsa basadi bana ba batlang banna mara ba sa batleng go tšhintšha. Ke lokisa banna bana ba batlang basadi mara ba sa batleng go tšhintšha. Ke lokisa tsona jole ha ke etsa tšhe.
Ba tseba batho ba ka nka serious ntho tso di buang di bohlokwa haholo. Because ke papadi fela yo.
Ai ke papadi Machiavelli.
Tshwatse motho weekend tsa skapselenyana for 3 weeks ka mara 3 weeks sa tla go tlela mekgweng.
Yo Machiavelli.
Ke mathata re tshwere mathata. Le ditliti tsena di fedile di phusholeile ke mathata.
Ha ba di hohle o fihlella. Di roba la ka re ke tsela e wele e tlo lokiswa ka re ke thaba e duweng go tlo etswa tsela mo. Ha ba di hohle di fedile because akere ba di hohla le no ba tlo di hohla ke bo ba di hohla ka di plastic tsane tse dumang. Ha ba di hohle diwe di roba le di be flat. Ha ba di hohle
ba batlo mamela basadi ba matsatsing ya ba khalimela ba manganga ba stubborn yo.
Ha ba di hohle hle Machiavelli, ha ba di hohle di be plat. No, thank you Machiavelli, thank you Machiavelli.
Aba mamele sharp pastor.
Thank you. Sharp Machiavelli ke a tseba. Apostle Pitso Shabalala, prophet. Ha ba di hohle hle mabaskhule basadi le tlo di hohla ko sa mamele ko se mamele o batla lenyalo batho you don't want to listen your partner indoda nxa ithetha na awumfunu ha le batlo mamela ha le re santse re tlopa le bontata ba batlo mamela ene ke le jwetse kwa ile tsona ntse di felwa ke matla di felwa ke matla e ka re ka tsatsi le leng ha o re wa ikenya motho ntse a hlobola penti because le penti tsa basadi bana di kena ka thata o di tswa ka thata iza tesithi a ikhulu le ipipi wheel e tla be se wele pu e robetse e sa utlwele ntho le pizza ya taxi rank ke o jwetsa wa bona kwa e sa utlwe le pizza ya taxi rank o tseba o fedile Apostle Pitso Shabalala mo profeta
Doctor wa tseba ntse ke le traumatized ma
ke nga butwa ka because ka re tla tsa ntwana ya for ngingi
Doctor wa tseba mo apostola o fokofisitswe ke eng
ke
o la hlabeha ha o no bua ka hore ka re ke di compress mara doctor no man doctor tla nne re rapele man doctor ona gale o fokofisitse mo apostola ntata ha e ka ba o sa ile Hallelujah mo wa tsama ga o se bete doctor ai go nana yitse go tloetsa thapelo fela go mo apostola a gutla e ka ba ka nnete o Hallelujah
ke a morata ngwaneno we semana ke a morata ke ngwane semarna jalo one this step and nna ke lukisa South Africa mo.
No, on a very serious note, doctor. What's it's my prayer about Twawangata, especially in Lebaruti, but utlwisise man. But try to ba spiritually too much. Modimo o pane ka ditsela tsa go portray the message. Hona le motho aka portray message o a hanga tsela ya nama. Accommodate batho ba tseng spiritually, but ele batho ba nane. So e ka re fela batho ba ka understand hore like for an example, doctor, if modimo na tseba hona le there are two types of people. Hona le batho ba dumelang ho lentswe la modimo le le jwalo fela. But hona le batho bana ba dumelang hore lentswe la le kopane le metsi ba dumela ho point of contact. So it's two different kinds of people. That's why ka ga Bibele intho tsa bo metsi tsa bo letswai di teng because God wanted to accommodate ditumelo tsena kaofela. Le ntho nyena ya o tlo fana ka di message tse tje hona le batho ba dumela nako engwe ha batho ba kena ka monana o apere disutu ka mmetae o ntso re in the name of Jesus ba teneha, because you are not accommodating dintho tseo bona ba batlang ho di utlwa. But now you have accommodated batho be leng hore rona baruti ba ditai ha re ba accommodate, and that's why fumanang rona baruti ba spiritualizing everything re a teneha. Yet hona le lenyalo la motho lo qetang ho le thusa hona jwale hona le mme a sa dumele le go modimo a ka a re nna ke change mentality wa ka lenyalo la ka jwale ke a change. This is what you are called for. So that is why I so wish that people can understand what you are called for, you know. Like for hona jwale doctor di seminar ha di etsa di kereke ha di etsa di seminar o kena ka ga di seminar mara ho ntso ho buahala ka anna ho ntso buahala ka mme Maria, but re di utlwa every Sunday how preachwa dintho tseo. Now what you are doing now with a content ya di seminar ke ntho tse tlamene di buahala di seminar tsena how to ke couples seminar re batla utlwa dintho tse jeng, you know. So my question is, if Muruti I catch the feelings, you understand? Because these are the things that we need to hear. So I so wish our people can just understand you. Holy, and that's where you come in. How about understand that?
Yeah, you know, thank you so much in that.
Yes, Doctor. No, ne ke batla tlo jwalo ma he re tla rapella apostole a be
no ntate ha khutle re morata mare ne ke mo fokofise mare ke morata ke tlo kwala ha khutle mo profita modimo pitso sane kana ke kena na go mambo
quarter past 8 winka le kharagara o fitlela ka 11 kwa.
Okay, quarter past 8 ke tla be ke le live a pentong ona mona mo re tla be re bua ka e bitsa Metsima Holo FM re tla be re le mono. Thank you prophet
Ke ne ke re pele ke tsamaya o shebe wa iska ba le saleleng le wetse fatsa le yo ka ntleng.
pitso go tsamaehle a go tsamaehle mhlanka modimo re utlwile re a leboa minister.
Oh, Dr. November.
My minister.
Ai, ntate nna ke na le dipotso jole ka motho a ntseng a tla monyane a ntsang a hola monana ke bua ke le motho e leng horeng ke le reserve ke ka ntle ka mona ke batla ke na ka ga le bala lena la lenyalo ntate.
Okay.
Mara jwale e ka re ha ntse re bontshana re tsamaya re bontshana ke tsamaya ke gotsa ke thiba ka nqena la ka nqenana neng ka re jwale se ke bone ka re mohlomong ke ba too much kapo ka re jwalo se ke hlekefetsa ngwana ona wa batho jwale ke batla ho utlwisisa hore ke etsa jwang hore go se ke ha bonahala e ka reng ke too much kapo ke bana le ke etsa jwang hore ke bena le mamello.
What's about this guys? Minister Ntata ngompotsa yona very powerful question. Very that what's on puts a very powerful question and a very profound question. Because I want to take that no today. The problem that we have, Matatingana, people they are looking for partners, Marbasi ready for the commitment. They are looking for marriage. They are looking for relationship. I mean marriage, a serious commitment. Marbasi ready. Now, if back to now, eba in kwena no obapalang that role ya or now kwena tshwantse chinche mutuna kwena muthu tshwantse khalmele mutuna kwena muthu today ne ke jwetsa nna partner raka ke re baby I saw which when you must come to the level whereby when u khona bona ntho wrong so that unthusa re ke ka tla ke tlo khalmela because when ko khalmela tabeng ya hore now ke ba uto bona ka I'm a difficult person because now every time ke bua lona to feel or I'm this person ka ra batho ba batla eng. The problem is that people e kana bona le bothata ba hore o kopane le motho ya denga se ready. Now you are going to be responsible for that change and it will frustrate wena le. Now ntho tlo tshwana la ngwe yetse now ke hore ya pele ko re tlo tshwana la o dule le na fase abe le batho ba nyetsweng kapa abe le batho ba shebang ba nyetsweng a tsebe hore batho ba nyetsweng kopa batho ba a tsebe hore batho ba nyetsweng ba lokela ho phela jwang ha ke tsebe ke tlo hlalosa jwang ba lokela motho ya nyetsweng kapa motho ya ka ra lenyalo o lokela ho phela jwang kapa o mo hlalosetse wena hore ke difidito tse o di batlang ka ra lenyalo la ha o qetile mo tlohelle yena dilane le tsona yena it's either abatle somebody ya ka mo mentorang or else wena o mo thuse o mo fe list ya dintho tsa tshwantseng a sebetsana le tsona ntle le hore o no khutlele ho yena o tlo bua le yena it's either le dingola or baby wa tsona ke rata 1 2 3 ke rata 1 2 3 then you give her that list yena ana check list eo ana sebetsana le dintho tse ntle le hore wena o no mo approach because that's when a problem when you approach a person. Kiman mo ba feeling re ka wena you are difficulty you too much in and kind of what they don't understand kore you are forced to do that because only mo align le code of conduct ya how in your company so that I understand your company ya how ho sebetsiwa jwang. I get a sense. So if Selibuile haholo to avoid to release kana na bua hangata ha dingole fati dintho tsena angole mujotso ha ke rata 1 2 3 ke rata 1 2 3 so that yena na sebetsane le tsona jalo o sa hlole o mo attenda ka buena to avoid taba o rno tlo mo stressa kapa feel or jalo you are difficult ne ha dingole ya o qetela wena o tlo tshwana la o check mofuta wa motho o mo choositseng o choositse motho ya nang le a teachable spirit ha kae ya nang le understanding not ya understander but ya nang le understanding because one of the thing erisugudisang it's when o kopane le motho ana as teachable spirit yes nang understanding everything you we buang ho yena high understanding doesn't make sense because most about us understanding there is nothing else and sense that is the problem. There's a difference between a person who understands something and the person who has the understanding. Now who to depend on kopane le mofuto jwang wa motho ya boraro who depend on kopane le motho ya morao ha kae o behind ha kae for raka chincha or uto chinchane. Then how petile if ali morao asukula understander asna understanding asna teachable spirit you don't channel ube le patient ersa tsibi re tlo sebetsa ne u don't channel be le patient petile that
hey ntade wa tsa batho ba ngata ba patala tšhelete ngata jwang ho thola dithuto tse o fanang ka tsona ana jwang bona re di fumana fela mahala fela ntate be a lebo
tanki ntate wa ka marungutlile butuaka ungutlile
ya utlwa hantle ntate ke utlwile
because one of the thing ere shapang really banna le basadi it's when you choose somebody as in ready for ntho e be ba kwena tshwantse mo tlise that readiness o yena at a worse e be le re motho a teng hana understanding hana a teachable spirit and o tlo sebetsa ka thata ntate ha o tlo sebetsa ka thata o tlo sebetsa ka thata ne le tlo ba frustrated because to everybody change high monad because they are changing monad so when undo khutla unto tla yena baby change antwena u feel or no you are too much now you have so much too much and then uto ba frustrated le na be frustrated so that's when getting uto depend or una le understanding una le teachable spirit le hore u behind her guy to be a wife but if ali hole ha hole or be a wife you need to be patient and not frustrated during that period.
Thank
you, Butuaka.
Thank you.
Thank you, my minister. Thank you, my pastor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mpho? Hello, my sweetheart.
Yo, ntate o re beha hantle o re beha hantle ke ka ga lenyalo ke a leboa ka go bua ka nna, but no, I'm willing gore jale ke tlo leka ho mamela.
Ao hlompho.
Ke tlo leka ho mamela ntate, ke tswa divorceong ke kene lenyalong la bobedi, ke ile ka phela nako e telele ke le one jale ya ba ke tloela ho nka di-decision tsa everything ke le one. Bothata ba ka no tjena fela ko mamela.
Ao hlompho.
Ore fela I know I'm right. Now Mrs. always right, that I know. And I keep believe ore since when ke tseba gore bothata keng botla correctege.
Hai, guys, le mametse mpho hle banna. Hai, mpho modimo o hlonolo fatshe haholo. Ntate modimo au bless haholo au swaka, because you know what is painful ka dintho tsa di relationship le manyalo le eng. Kaofela batho le ba arohaneng le ba divorcitseng le ba sa thabang as we speak, they know hore ke dintho tse di khoswa ke eng. Bon, I'm telling you, all of us le batho ba frustrated, they know. O tlo thola hore mosadi khala blela monna ha hore baby a ke rata o tsamaya bosiu, ha ke rata o khutla the following day. Monna wa yetsa ntho eo o ntsa tswela pele ho yetsa. Two, o tlo thola hore hona le basadi bao banna ba bona motho ka ba o jwetsa hore baby o bua haholo, you are too stubborn, but bo sa mamele. So most of us ka ramanyalo le di relationship dintho tse re affectang all of them re a di tseba, but it's just that we are not willing to change. Ke yona ntho ne ke buile ka yona. Tsa mo change ga itse di ka ntate modimo o bless a
Ke tlameha ho change ntate. Ke lenyalong le monate ha ke sa change tla be le sentse ke nna.
Yo. Mpho modimo o bless hle ga itse di ka.
Amen.
Thank you so much, Auswaka. Wow.
Thank you.
No change, Auswaka. Thank you so much. Yo! Wow, qetela ke mang? Ditheko.
Letheko nna ke ipheta.
Why Peter?
Nna ke ipheta.
Peter.
Ke re tate November ne. Bomme ba ba kgathalang ka kamoreng ha ba ke ba tlwela ho kgathala man. Wa tseba ntho ke ntho e serious. Ke ntho e serious. Rona re le batho ba batsho ha re encourage-ane ho ya ho trainer. Wa tsaba makgowa ha ba tsofale because ba tseba na bohlokwa ba training ke eng. So now we are always exhausted, we always want to iketsa botse banyane ke a tseba hosane ke a tseba ke etsa tjena ke etsa tjena. Ha ke bue hampe mara ke bua puo e straight bomme ha ba bule hantle ka mokgwa tshwanelo, because jwale ha ba sa etse jwalo it's a problem. O tlo lape o ya ka ntle o fumana o sia hantle a ntse etsa dintho tse tshwana le tsa hao fela wa o feta ke bothata ntho. It's a problem. Le maturity o thole hore mme o matured ntate o ntse a tla a tataya wa itla o qala frustration yana. Maturity re eleka di relationship tsa rona haholo. Motho wa ntate ha a fumane motho wa mme a buima ka kelelo wa motenehela wa understand, because ha o kgone ho etsa eng di rules tsa ntsa bontate e ka kare bontata moholo ba rona ba hodisitse bontate ka tsela ya hore there's no one who's supposed to rule ke ena fela. So ba bang ba misinterpreta ntwa teng ha ba understand hore na e tlamehile tsamaye ka tsela e jwang. Motho ha jwale ba kopana le motho a mature wa utlwa ntate a fitlile ntho ntse ngata a boneng hore na bophelong ho etsahala eng. So just now ha o le jwalo ho tlo etsahala jwang? Ho tlo etsahala jwang?
Mamela ngwana rona. Wa tswa go jwetsa bothata ke eng? Go jwetsa Auswaka re ya kwana. Hona le batho ba sutlileng dikuku tsa bona ba di sutlile ho bua le banna ba sutlileng dikwai tsa bona ha ba qetla di se di sutlile di kgathetse le yena e se le mokaubere wa gale ntwe kgathetseng ke hona ba batlang lenyalo mamenemene ana ene mpotse wa hae ba batla manyalo ba batla retirement ba lo retire ba tlile diphumulo mamenemene ana ke bona bothata fela
ba retire go bana ba batho
ba tlile retirementeng ba kgathetse di sutluwe o utlwa la o kena ka ra kupiana re kukuye wa utlwa hore parpa ke golf 7 sutluwe ale ba ispina
marase ke ai aba raitanga
no, but let me tell you something, Sandra Sam. The problem, it will remain. Abantu abayaz ba ufuna ntoni ezimpilweni zabantu. That is the problem. Abantu abayaz ba ufuna ntoni ezimpilweni zabantu. People, they don't know or why baleka rama philo about it. That is the problem. And until they understand or why releka rama nyalo, why re tlile bathong, why re dumetse o nyalwa, why re dumetse o nyala. Nkabe re sena mathata makana because when ke nyala nna ya pele ntwe ke nyalang ke kuku ke batla nna ba ka kuku nna nna ba ka kuku nna ngaifuna mna nna ke e batla yo nna ndaifuna ba zaba nna ke moruti ya rata nna ke rata gore ha ke sa ifua nka lo dia le kereke aka nka dia kereke nka peke ke be ke gotle tlo dia le Naval Hill di la le se phansi nna sa fuku
hayibo
uyachaisa
ngokubeka umnqwazi phansi
ndiyahamba sithando sam nanga dia le Naval Hill nna le ka tswa le station sa Mandela se robetse Fatsmani le sa tsebe le ka tsanga sona nka dia Naval Hill a sa thole ku ke kwata hore nka lo dia le kereke ndi o isepo ke dia now ba lona batho ba nyetsweng bontate ba nyetsweng le robetse ka di BVD tena le dipudi fane BVD na le malomo ka BVD na le di scotch ka BVD na le ditweba ka BVD na le ditsuonyane tsa dikgogo ba loi ba bontate ba timanang ka dikwai le ntena bohloko ne di dinanyana bon le bomme ba timanang ka dikuku le ntena ka reng ka le tshela mafineta thank you ngwanaka I love you Tando.
Hi, my beloved pastor.
How am I, sweetheart?
Okay.
I'm good, Madala. And you?
I'm fine.
Yes, my sweetheart.
Ndumele ke bulele ka heartburn ane.
Okay.
Ke shapo ka theme ya change. I'm happy about it.
Okay.
Now, Kenya ka ho bulela ka heartburn. And I want to make an appeal to bomme le bontate to say, ha ba sa le mojolong, be careful. There is a sex position called a dog style. Oh, mdavazo ana position
yanta
wabona yona pastor akere go na le go benda mo and then ge go bendiwa mo the ka mo morago ka mo go ba khaufi and then ntate o better fast and hard okay and then one of the reasons why rena bomme re sala ka di heartburn ne o ska phela moruti batsa today ne ke bolela le mme o mongwe ne alla are you ngwana heso a tsa keng ke phela ka pad ke phela ka pampers because ha ke no re ke re ke a shifta moruto wa ha ke re ke a shifta moruto wa so kare you know what maybe let me make this input ya gore ba tlhokomele motavazo o mo jwalo
wa tsoma re ke utlwa gaitsedi yaka I hear you because when o kobeile o benne ne ene bo kopana le motho ya nang le ntho tse telele tse kgolo o pusha ntho tsane o pusha everything
And Muruti, it will always be Batuba, it will always be those people because press because wamonwana akasi like position yo.
Wow.
Input advice because come on, take a more Rabana woman, or crapper skate, and then come on, Rahukamu, one or Mutuka pampas over. Yes, who took and I don't go such on Kamuruto, Muruti, or one hore, but to hell.
Yeah, but look, well, can need.
Or then a linear long, then a linear long on Kamuruto.
Sure. No.
So, and this thing is prevalent. Momo Jolong, one of these youngsters. And I'm aware for this thing is damage in the long run.
No, thank you so much, Tando.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Tando. Thank you so much, and stay blessed, my scat. Guys, I'm closing. Ma Fensiland Risno Famba Nekiri Bampatang 073 202 9079. Yes, 073 202 9079. Baba Tang Buelin. That is my personal number 073 202 9079. Manchaka last words. If Rebecca Manyalo, let us be ready for a change. And that change, get everything. Harubaka change everything. And two, let us not come kadikelelo sabantu bawuretswa ngobona. Masinga zingenqondo sabantu esivela kubo di exit oretswa. If ex awine utlwela ha utsutsi na ukhululeyo, just remember ore hase bohle ba tlo re tlo utlwela utsuri. Tina sifuna bafazi abakhulelayo. Number two, if ex how as a man ine utlwela ore unwe jwala o senye ka tšhelete, but once you kopana le somebody who's a wife, you are ready for stability abatlang o builder, automatically o tlo stop o tlo khalmela or mar baby e ka ro senya ka tšhelete. And once o fila o wena you are not ready mamela motho abatlang o re build fokofa ka relationship fokofan bazalwana fokofan if fokofele ka ra di relationship tsena tsa lona le manyalo ana lona le tlelo frustrate about because there are people who are looking for wives, there are people who are looking for husband. I say about bohle ba batlang o jola rona re batlang o jola guys, we are looking for wives bazalwana. Tina sifuna ukutshata and ha re qetile re qeta o nyala re batla peace. Enwe ya dintho guys ha re batla o nyala rona ha ke tsebe lona. One of the things yetsa re batle ha re batla o nyala, we want to add peace. Udima peace yo re nang lo. So we need to understand that once you decide to marry, and guys tlo ke le jotse nthongwe kotsi ke kopa ke le jotse nthongwe kotsi ke kopa ke le jotse. This is very very powerful guys. When you fihla bophelong ba motho, if o fihla bophelong ba motho, there are two questions o tshwantseng o di botse. Two. Le mamet, two questions. If it's a girlfriend, mo botse hore ke mang ya tlweletseng e mong. O mo botse hore why le o ska ba motse hore why le qabana. O mo botse fela hore ke girlfriend ya o e deciding go tswa ka ba ko wena. Always you must ask that question. I'm going to tell you why. Number two, when you fika motho ya divorcing, when you come to the divorcee, please ask that divorcee, tell me, ke mang ya divorcing, it's you or it's your partner? I'm going to tell you why. Because I personally cannot divorce 2 times. And the reason why but bafika tabeng ya divorce, when you come to the stage when uri I divorce now, it is because una live to feel ngora o sa kgona emela na le tsona. So umntu ngaka divorce, it means ufike ku stage apart and sakwazi nyamezela. Now, when you came to the person ya divorcite, ising ya tswang divorce Maria ring ki divorcite. You don't underestimate that person, because divorce, it's not just an easy thing. But when a person take a decision of their divorce, you don't underestimate that person, because it means that person, there are things still I want to separate myself little. So, as a person yet, when somebody are in divorce, it means there are things so I had to separate myself, leading to a thing. I get a sense. Now, you cannot bring back those things. So moto asebedi tenka tata hui karuhanya letona wenuzizis. Awkhone. Guys, awukwazi ukuyisa izinto ezindenze ukuthi ndidivorce wena uzizisi. But I pay money to divorce. Then and because the divorce came from the reason there are things that I want to separate myself nazo. But when guys, so make sure that don't underestimate Muterinki divorces. Because that person can divorce you again. Because there are people who are not ready to deal with masipa. Because luna krimankaka kirinchota luna halema into sebetana le masipa every day kaku. Ona le batho ba seng ready sebetana le masipa nix ikaka kuye. That is why runa le toilet tse flash up. Because ha ba tlo dila le makaka. How once ba tla tsamaya. How kata once o ba tla tsamaya mankaka because how ba tlo dila nae le mankaka. So in short, you need to understand when you fika bopino ba motor. Okay, motor na tsa divorce. Ke mang ya divorcite? Ke mang a divorcite? If motor ke tsa divorce, you need to know ke mang a divorce. And if that person go bolela re ke ena divorce, you need to be careful, because that person go bolela we decide we separate, leading to tsena nga feel ra sa gona go phela le tsona. Ya bobedi, guys, let us be willing to change. Then let us be willing to change. If you're not willing to change, if I baby, do you know that to come out to tell a funaba fast baby man maybe ilok? I mean, basa batim bana babona basadi babona batine maruhwe. Kukoma amatota abanga funaba fast babu bangile ibrukwe. And those men, they are not wrong, because it's their code of conduct, their company. And when if you're not, if you feel like when how about utena maruhwe ufununwe ba the way ufuna ngakona, don't commit yourself. Don't commit yourself. If ubata utena the way ubatangate, if ubata utsama the way ubatangate, don't commit. Sanus commit abazalwane. Sanus commit. Yaburaro. Don't commit, guys. Don't commit. And kauta mutaro no, my husband want to change me. Undi fumene ndinxiba so. Yes, kuthothu unxiba njalo. Ne? But now, because there are things. Remember, when you go to the interview, then uqala ulothewela. Uxoxa uleka tsela yengwe, uzoza ungenye indlela. Then bazawuqasha unjalo, batlo hira untsoli njalo, mara batlo change. If you come to interview, it is not like the company will start to expect you to change the I get a sense. We cannot Rebecca Ramanyolo lead the relationship and then have it because kama kwa yo kisebetsa nang luena ke tlo enjoy nini di benefits tsaka tsa uba a wife tsa uba le a wife ke tlo di enjoy nini if I kisebetsa na luena now ke tlo enjoy nini di benefits tsaka tsa hore no I've got my wife ku khobanga ba chatile hona le batho ba lobotseng o ntshitse lobola but today I enjoy the benefits because now this man o theoetse o phangele o sebetsana le mosadi wa monna wa leqheku la gale ntho ya hana go tšhentšha na wena o patetse lobola o ntshitse lobola o kopantse di family because your intention was ke batla o nyala mosadi. Now ha una mosadi una le student la slow learner ntho enqenayo ntho engaqingiyo una le student la slow learner ntho sa mameleng o to enjoy nini lenyalo la hao o to enjoy nini lenyalo la hao. Bomme, don't commit yourself if you are not ready for the ntho tse itseng. Sanos commit le bonkgono ba gale ba sa batle le o tšhentšha le bontatemoholo ba gale ba sa batle go tšhentšha a mofone o tšhentšha bazalwane ga le batle o tšhentšha nix now le re file mesebetsi a unnecessary e sa hlokaleng re tlo enjoya neneng motho tlo enjoya neneng gore a be le wife re tlo enjoya neneng ke re qoqe ke be re qoqe le mosadi wa ka re qoqe re plane re tlo di etsa neneng because every day siqumbelane re kwatelane ka tlong because nkgono yana wa gale ha ba tlo tšhentšha ntatemoholo yana o kwatile ha ba tlo tšhentšha re tlo enjoya neneng re tlo enjoya neneng di slow learner tsena di tongue di danda head into ezinentloko enkulu ntho e thata e sa batle go tšhentšha ha e batle go tšhentšha ntho re tlo enjoya neneng. That is why nna ke re ba bang ba lona handle le deserve fela o itšellwa mahala sefapang. Kapala enjoyan ke enjoyaneng di benefits tsa go ba le husband ke bana ba ke bua bona ke re ke bontate bana ba banna ba holo bana ba tlisitseng ba le tlisitseng maphelo a bona a lona le sa tsebana ba sa tseba le isa kae unless le lona ke lona ba ile ma suggest lenyalo because banna ba holo bana o tla bo ntse o bona gore ntho ena e ba tlo nyala ha ina di intention mara ko wena o tla bo mo bontsha the picture ya lenyalo ko wena mo bontsha the picture ya lenyalo. So you are going to be very frustrated. You are going to be once you can push lenyalo ko wena o tla ba frustrated. So jwa mahala pretile kubai guys re tla kopana ngosna bye the slow learner tsamayang. Yo, thank you Mama Azra, thank you so much Miss Kat. Do you know that guys let's say ho bakara relationship upon ngokola yo le aqoqa hey baby yo hey today mama ke kopane le mang yo baby le lo davazana le thabile le lo jana le thabile let's ba o dilana le motho slow learner. Yes yo slow learner. Yes yo I love you nna re tla kopana ngwana mona mona re tla kopana ntong ho tikai life ho sa ntle be ke le life kwana soso le tlabe ke le soso lo mantsibua ke tla fika elinyana because ke batla nna ke se ba hantle slow learner you tsaba slow learner o bua le sona o bua ntho e one non stop slow learner o bua ntho e one non stop slow learner o thetha naso non stop. Yes bye yo ha kubai muthoka unkebesi bye.